All right. Morning, gang. Alrighty. Good morning, everybody. Alrighty, good morning, good morning. Party time. How we doing, gang? Good morning, happy Tuesday. Welcome, welcome. Welcome in, give the stream a like on your way in here today. Hope you guys are doing good and ready to get the ball rolling. What do we got here today? Let's see. Oh, C. Lee in the building. First one here today. W. JFX W. Bradley, good morning. Ace, good morning. Futures yesterday. What's going on? Ewan's in the building. KJ, gold pushing. Gold is pushing. We need a closure though. Closure. What up, Scott? Good morning, bro. Good morning, Dennis. What's good? Z Gamers in the house. What up, Martha? Kelvin, what's good? AQN in the building. Love that name, just 3-letter name. Morning, Rami. What's up, everyone? Good morning. Welcome in. If you guys could like the stream on the way in, that would be awesome. And kick back, relax. We're gonna get the party started here in just a minute. Let me get everything on Zoom going. Share screen. Drop these down. All right. Good morning, Jose. Good morning, brother. Hey, yo, Pablo. What up, Xavier? Good morning, Janet. Good morning, brother. Joe's in the house. Good morning, everyone. Looks like we may have a nice setup if gold, right? On gold, if. Big if. Hourly candle closes, yeah. All right. Alrighty. Good morning, Bobby. Good morning, brother. Good morning, Chandra. Oh man, everyone's here today. Alright, cool. Alright guys, let's get the ball rolling here. Let's take a look at the charts. Let me lower the music. Alright. Alright, what's good, everybody? Happy to have you here today. It's another day, another session here. Another session, another day here in the markets, and should be a good one here. We got a new day ahead of us. We got some pretty clean, looks like a pretty clean day here today. Pretty clean day. Not much news in the way here. There is some tentative news here. That's after 10 a.m. So we should be all good to go. Let me just send the Zoom link out in Discord, and we will get started. But hey, if you're excited today, if you're happy to be here, put a 1 in the chat. Get yourself pumped up, get yourself excited as we move into the session here today. Let me just send the Zoom link out, and perfect. Yeah, you got to get enthusiastic. You got to notify yourself. X this out. All right, cool. So time to go hunting here today. Gotta love the hunt, gotta love the wait, gotta love the patience, gotta love everything about what we do here, man. It's a beautiful thing. And if you get disciplined, you get patient, you will really start to love the craft. So let's take a look at the charts here today, see what's going on. So taking a look at gold. Looking at this daily time frame here, pretty clean, right? I mean, we do have let's go to the weekly real quick. So weekly candle has pushed down originally a little bit yesterday, pulled back up. We talked about potentially this weekly top wick, probably tapping into these areas up here. As long as we don't break the highs here, then this weekly top wick should be good to potentially drive back down. Based off of the monthly time frame, right? Monthly time frame created a resistance here. Last couple times we created resistance, we pushed down, right? You had a resistance formed right here, and price was able to push down. You also had a resistance formed right here, price pushed down. Now we do have a new resistance formed here. I would be expecting price to push down. I would be expecting once these lows break for price to continue down into this night, back into the 1800 area, and you know, see if we can cover that range. So I'm expecting that to happen. You know, that's what price action is saying. That's what we can see here based off previous data. Now we discussed yesterday that in order for that to happen, in order for the weekly to create a top wick and, you know, potentially be a celery play here, we have to form a couple daily candles. So it looks like that's what we're doing right now, is forming these daily candles. So looks like we've broken the high here as well. So beautiful. So if we take a look at the daily time frame, what do we see here? We notice that we are in a little bit of a range, right? This is a range that we're currently in. We left this zone about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago at this point. We left this zone. Some of you guys remember we traded this candle, clean traffic to the left, price continued down and just continued down even further. And all of a sudden we ran into this support level right here. If you look left, we ran into some support right here, and price held up, came back up, you know, pushed back down, came back up. So it's really just trying to break out of this range, just like any 30-minute range or 1 hour range would be. No difference here with the daily time frame. So let's get rid of this. So looks like we're breaking the highs. If we go down to the 4 hour time frame, so we're very bullish here today. We understand why, we understand what's going on. We're starting to break the daily high. If we take a look at the, hold on, I just want to see how the 1 hour closed. All right. So if we take a look at the daily, we're breaking the highs here. We made somewhat of a bottom wick, right? Now we're breaking these highs, and now we should continue up to retest this support here at 1977 here today. So that's the target, right? I'm expecting the daily candle to push up and look something like this by the end of today, maybe even closing above. We'll see. I believe these are the weekly highs, so we'll see what happens here today. But I do expect us to come into this area here today as we break these highs and retest this resistance. Will we break the highs? That I don't know, but this candle should do its job and definitely retest that resistance. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. That's probably going to be target for today. Is going to be this 1977, 1980 area here today. So taking a look at the lower time frames, right? Because if we know we're bullish now, we're breaking the highs. How do we find positions? Because we can't just enter a position here. I mean, we can, but just to enter a position here would be a little odd for us, right? So we got to go down to the lower time frame. So let's take a look at the 4 hours and see what's going on here. So we notice that we do have, let's take a look, right? Candle by candle. So this candle pushed up very strongly. This one started to come into this level here and die out a bit, right? Then you had a weak bearish candle, a very weak doji candle, and now you have a nice rejection to the downside. This candle is now breaking all highs here as well. So you know, that's what we're seeing here. So we have a pretty strong support at this point on the 4-hour time frame, and it looks like this could be the point in which price decides to continue on up to make that daily to retest that daily resistance. So we know we have a support here. We know we have a very strong rejection off of that support, and now we are breaking highs. I do notice that we don't have a bottom wick on this current 4-hour candle. That's probably my only issue with it. But again, like I said, we did have an exhaustion wick here. We did have 3 4-hour candles that really couldn't break below this area right here, and you know, after that rejection wick, this candle is starting to take off. So let's see what that looks like on the 1-hour time frame, because now what we're gonna do is we're gonna look how can we get in the market with our entries, with ranges that are being broken, with clean traffic to the left. How do we get in and get a really good trade, right? A really good setup. We got to come down to the 1-hour and to the 30-minute time frames. These are going to be your best time frames in order to take your positions off of, because they have a lot stronger confirmation on them than most of the other time frames, like a 15-minute or a 5-minute, or some of you guys even trade the 1-minute, right? So yeah, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna drop down this support. We got a support right here on the 1-hour time frame, right? We notice that we have a resistance right here as well. But one thing we also notice is that to the left hand side, we have another resistance right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move our resistance up here, and we're gonna say, okay, anything above 1965, 156 today is where we're gonna look to take buys above. We will be breaking daily highs, we will be closing above a massive resistance, and we will have clean traffic continuing on up here today. Take a look at the 30-minute. We'll have clean traffic to continue up into these levels up here today. So target 1, 1970, target 2, 1976, 1980 area up here today. So a lot of range, a lot of room for gold to push here today, and that's what we're going to be looking to take advantage of. So whatever happens in this range here, I really don't care for it. Don't care much at all for it. I do believe gold will continue up today, and I will look to take advantage of these pips up here, because not every pip in the market is my pip, but these ones up here are for sure the pips that I want to take advantage of today, and that's what we'll look to do. So yeah, so we'll keep this up here for now, and that'll be the target here for today. Is going to be, you know, somewhere in this range. It's 1976, even 1980 up here. You have clean traffic. You just have a couple little minor resistances that we'll look to, you know, make sure we're securing profits on, but other than that, pretty clean. And then sells are pretty simple. They're going to be below here today. Sells are going to be below 1956, 335. I am not really looking to take sells today, right? We've broken all 4-hour highs. If we do come down to break this 4-hour low, then we could say, all right, you know, maybe we're going to break the daily low, break the 4-hour low, and continue down. But other than that, I am looking for buys here today. And I'm going to be waiting for buys above 1965, 155 here today. So clean buys above, and that's what I'll be looking to take advantage of here. So buys above, and then sells are going to be below 157, 335. Okay. Did I even share the link? I don't know. Yeah. All right, cool. So yeah, so that's going to be the day here on gold. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. We're very bullish on the day. Wait for clean buys. Where do we have clean buys? Right above this resistance. Clean buys will take them all the way up. And this is going to be a no trade range here for me today. Going to stay out of the red zone here today. Not going to touch anything in there. But anything above that is super clean traffic that I would love to take advantage of here today. And then anything below these 4-hour daily lows as well is going to be pretty clean traffic for us to potentially make some money in here today. So that's the day. That's the day, gang. I'm gonna get rid of the overlay because I wasn't able to fix that issue just yet. And we'll just go with this. We'll run the original until everything's fixed up. All right. So that way there's no distractions. I don't want you guys getting distracted now. All right, so that's gonna be gold. All right. Cool. Take a picture of it, write it down. There it is. So no buys just yet on gold. We need to see a closure. We need to see a closure above. All right, now let's take a look at pound yen here as well. Haven't looked at pound yen since yesterday. Let's remove all this. Let's see where we're at on the weekly. So I believe okay, so weekly candle has come down to potentially create this bottom wick here. If we look left on the weekly time frame, we do have that resistance, and then next area is gonna be up here towards this wick fill. So let's just see where we're at based off the weekly time frame. And yeah, so that's the weekly low. If we do break below that weekly low, it's going to be pretty insane. Let's take a look at the daily. I do know, yeah, we broke daily lows yesterday. Damn, this daily candle is ripping here. So pretty bearish, right? You have a support right here. You have a resistance right here. And we didn't close below just yet, but this weekly candle is humming right now. We're back into this rejection zone here. So we don't know if this daily candle, wants to close below or reject and push back up. So that's something that we're gonna need some time on, right? We need to see how this current daily candle right here is gonna close today. But we are very bearish. We did break the lows. We made a top wick. We did close bearish yesterday. And yeah, we're moving along pretty good here. So let's take a look at the lower time frames, because if we're going to anticipate more sells here, a deeper push on this daily candle, then let's take a look. So you got the 4 hour close with no bottom wick right at support as well. This could be a sign of a pullback. Let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour candle has closed bullish. Looks like we created a support, closed bullish, and we could see price coming back into these levels here based off the 1 hour time frame. Maybe getting a fake out or something up here, and then we could look to take sells. All we're pretty much looking for at this point is somewhat of a resistance to be formed. All right, that's all we want to see at this point, and then we could take our sells to continue back down. So once we get a resistance, maybe something like this, maybe we could take our sells coming back down here on pound yen. So all we need now is a resistance, and we can continue the move down based off the daily candle here. So that's what I'll be waiting for. Where can we find the resistance? Well, we don't know, right? One thing I do know is we're not going to try and predict it, right? That's what I used to do. Try and call the top, call the bottom. Here it is, we're going to reject right here. Like, nah, we really need to see price action unfold, and we need to see candles moving in our direction and giving us real legitimate signs based off of candle closures on where that resistance will be formed at. So yeah, so right now GJ is just pulling back a bit. I believe this daily candle should continue down, but we need to see that happening on the lower time frame. So just waiting for a resistance at this point. Probably not going to take any buys here today, but I will be looking for sells once that does form up. But I guess we could say you got a support here. Price could probably, let's take a look at the daily. Let's take a look at what that is. Yeah, so, you know, daily target today would probably be somewhere around this range, coming back into coming back down to retest these lows somewhere. And if it wants to continue down, it can, but that'll probably be where I'll be looking to target, which is to retest that support. So once we do get that resistance formed, either right here or wherever, I'll look to come back down to this 172 area here today. So that is the day. But gold looks a lot better. I'm more locked in on gold here today. GJ not too bad. Just wait for resistance at this point. Simple. Simple.
Good morning.
Hey yo.
Good.
What's the word? What's the word, my boy?
Bobbin. Chat. What's up? How y'all doing?
Can you guys hear John all right? There he is. The man, the myth, the legend.
Jose. Good morning, Scott.
Crystal clear, perfect.
Let's get it.
That's it. Now we got a party here. Now we wait.
Awesome.
All right.
Another day, another discipline, right? We come here every day with the same plan, same intentions, and that's to follow our plan and be disciplined and patient for our plan to naturally come to us and for everything to naturally form. Hey, good morning, Z Gamer.
It could all be so simple if you just allow it to.
Yes, this could be very simple if you guys, can just plan, follow your system, follow your rules. You can make it very easy for yourself to do that.
Yeah, you can. Like some of you guys jumped in these buys for what? No bottom wick, no closure, got in it anyway? Come on, man. What's up with you?
You cannot be a successful trader if you cannot control your emotions. It's not gonna happen. It's not.
But some people are like, but I wasn't emotional. I was just, the candle closed bullish and I just took a buy. I mean, we're pretty bullish, and that's the other thing. Like, you gotta really learn candles and what price does and ranges and support and resistance, and you need to be aware of these things, right? Some of you guys may just be looking at this resistance right here, which is all fine and dandy, but you got another very strong resistance right here to the left. And then guess what? Above that, man, you don't have to deal with anything. You don't have to deal with anything until about 50 pips away. You have this other level right here, right? So if you could just wait, like, that's the thing. Like, you have to understand, this is only 15 pips. Like, these 15 pips are not our pips. Like, they're just not our pips, right? We'd rather wait and give those pips to somebody else and wait for the cleanest range we could possibly trade in. That's where the money is at. That's where the clean, smooth, quick money is it's in these ranges here where price closes above resistances, and what it's doing is it's breaking into a new range. So you have a range here. This is a range. You have a range here. All right, these are ranges. And then you have a range now all the way up into these levels. So you're breaking through this range to get into this range. And then you're breaking through this range to get through up to this range. So why not just wait patiently for the cleanest traffic ranges you could find, because that's where price is going to move very. Look at these candles. See these candles? How clean they are, how nice and big they are, big juicers, big bleeders, right? That's what we look for. That's what we look to take advantage of. So you want to wait for those ranges where price can move smoothly like that. You know, you don't want to bother with any of this chop here. It's all choppiness, you know, just nothing, right? Like, yes, price can make its way through it, but do you want to be in the trade for that? I don't. I'd rather wait for the cleanest ranges so I could take advantage of big candles like these juicers and like these bleeders right here. So,
Yep.
Yes, sir.
what up,
Good
Sam?
morning.
Sam?
Morning, John. Morning, Nick.
Morning,
Good morning
Sam.
to the best chat.
Morning, Sam.
Yo, did you see what I said about we might be able to do something for so you could still have the win rate not up?
Oh,
Like without the overlay?
oh,
So like if you were to make like if you go to your OBS
uh-huh.
and then go to your scene
Yeah.
and then like the sources, you could create a text box and then just like type it out and just like have it up. If you
Oh,
want to.
yeah, for this one? You talking about for this overlay? I mean, for this scene
I think so, yeah.
that we're in right now? Not the overlay one, right?
Right,
Yeah,
The
I
other
know what
one
you
right
mean.
now. If you wanted to, still put up the win right now if people wanted them.
Yeah.
It's up to you.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and get that whole thing fixed up. I don't know. I think I having my boy make me a better overlay, so that way, if you guys look at this overlay, you notice how the mid screen is not that big. So I'm gonna have him drag this out more, so that way the chat and this whole left side over here is smaller, and then we're gonna push the chart down more too. So I think that'll clear up the resolution a little bit.
Yeah, I think that'll be good. I was gonna say I was looking at it on my phone to see like what it went like maybe be, but yeah, probably pulling the chart down would do the most.
Yeah, I think so.
Like
Because everything looks good in my settings on OBS, so I'm not too sure
yeah.
what it is. So I should have that up by tomorrow. But for now, we'll rock with this joint.
The OG.
Yeah, the OG. This one has done us well.
You switched it on for like 10 seconds. Someone said it was already complaining.
Yo,
Fine,
please,
it's
my
fine.
eyes.
Mid screen's blurry.
Yeah.
SN, it'll be okay.
See, me, I would never complain about something like that. I don't know.
I mean, you should have your own chart up. See
Yeah,
the
yeah,
prices
exactly.
yourself.
Like if I was on someone's stream and it was a little blurry, I wouldn't even put that in the chat. I mean, unless I was trying to help the guy. Be like, yo, the numbers are a little bit blurry.
Right. Yeah.
But to be like, my eyes, once I put the stream on, like, come on, man.
Pointless. Unnecessary. Sure.
Yeah. So yeah, boys. Now we're in the fields.
Yeah.
Now we're hunting. Now we're waiting. Now we're looking for an opportunity to jump on at some point in this session. When will it be? We have no idea. Will it be in 9 minutes? We don't know. Will it be at the NY Open? Maybe. Will it be at the close of the 4 hour? It could be. Will it be at NYSE? I don't know. We don't know these things, so that's why we have to wait now. We have to wait patiently for our setup to show up, like a lion would just stalk his prey at the watering hole, right? We are at the water hole right now, right? We are watching. We are waiting. We are waiting to attack, and there is so much beauty in waiting, and there is so much beauty in the attack, and I just love trading for those two reasons. And it reminds me of, I tell you guys my Animal Planet stories, how I watch these shows, and it just reminds me of just straight up wildlife, man. Just straight up doggy dog out here. So
Yep.
good to be
like
with you guys in the wild today.
Yep.
We're on a safari.
Yeah, we're in the safari, but we're on Chrome. Can we look at US 30? Yeah, let's take a look. Oh, would you look at this, gang? So yesterday, right? If you could have took sells off here, but you would have kind of been breaking your plan, didn't have a good stop loss, or you could have just waited for the range too, and then look at the drive. Look at the drive. All right, let's take a look at the daily. So daily did close bearish yesterday. It did create a resistance up here, which is pretty good. Now we have a little bit of a top wick. I think we could probably get a bigger top wick out of this. It is a little sketchy too because we closed right at that resistance there. So yeah, a little sketchy there on this candle, but all in all, we are bearish. We did break the lows. We don't have much of a top wick. I'm expecting probably a steeper top wick on this candle, but coming down to the 4 hour as well, you see the 4 hour also closed with no bottom wick. So you had a support right here. Looks like we closed below, but no bottom wick. And now this new 4 hour candle's just kind of trying to figure out which way to go at this point, right? So let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour is consolidating. So you have a support here. You have a resistance right here. And this is basically the range that we're currently in on this 1 hour time frame here. So being that we don't have a bottom wick on the 4 hour and this one is starting to push up, you can very well see, and very little top wick, somewhat of a push up back to this resistance. I personally would wait for buys above the closure here, above this level here. So if a candle closes above bullish, then possibly take a buy, right? Take advantage of this clean traffic to the left. But I probably wouldn't take my buys down here just because you're pretty bearish on the day, right? You're pretty bearish overall on the day. So you're going to want to wait to see at least a closure above here. So you kind of have this second range being formed, which was a resistance, a new support. Now you close above that resistance, it should be good. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. You may want to adjust that if you're going to take this off of the 30-minute time frame. And that's it. That's your range that you're currently in. You got supports, you got resistance, you got clean traffic on both sides. If you are looking for sells today, let's take a look at the 1 hour. One hour has a support here. I mean, we could possibly fill this wick. Shouldn't be an issue. We break below. You see how many times price rejected? So if you do get a close below, you should be able to fill this wick and then probably come down to these levels down here today, which is about like a 63 point move. So yeah, because if you notice, there's been a lot of rejections, but no candles have been able to close yet, right? So you have rejection, 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 rejection. All these candles weren't able to close below. So if you do get an official close below, then that should indicate that price should have volume to continue down. So that's how I'd be looking for, or buys above this area up here, which is the 1 hour resistance. So I would just stick with that. I always say it every day for US 30. I would just wait for this 4 hour candle to close, and you'll have a really much better direction of price. Because if it's going to close bullish at creating a support right here, then there's a high probability that the next 4 hour candle will continue up here. So yeah, I'd wait for that 4 hour candle to close, but that would be my ranges currently right now, and that's what I would stick with. I would base it off the 30-minute time frame here. Just lower that and trap price here, and just wait for a breakout. Wait for volume to come in. Wait for volume to come. That's all. National Geographic Trade Channel, yeah, exactly. Yeah, as we stalk our prey here. Yeah, we're stalking.
Waiting for our setups to naturally come to us.
That's it.
Playing in the morning. Now we're playing to come naturally, work out naturally for us, and that's it.
Yes, sir. Another day to be a top G in the markets.
We're not gonna budge into any emotions we get just because the 5 minute is flipping bullish or anything, right? We're gonna stay logical, stay disciplined to our plan, and good things will happen because we know, right? We know that when we follow our plan, we win. So There's no goals being set here other than following our plan, like Sam said yesterday.
Facts. And
That is the only goal we have here.
yeah, and sometimes you're not going to want to follow the plan. But that's where the test comes. That's where that's where you get tested. We might need Steve Irwin on the soundboard. Bro, your stream is dope on 1.5x speed. That's funny.
How does that even work? Like, it'd be going faster than.
Hey, if you don't have patience, just speed the stream up a little bit.
Well, I'm just mean, like, if it's live, like, then wouldn't it be going faster? Like.
Yeah, how do you get it to go faster if it's live?
Like what? Oh, to catch up. He's catching up.
Video is not clear, sir. I think you may need a refresh, sir. Oh, he rewinded the breakdown. Oh, nice. Hey, chat. Appreciate you guys stopping by. We got 360 people here. If you haven't liked the stream, we only got 130 likes on the stream right now. So if you guys could like the stream, that'd be awesome. Right now, you can help a lonely trader out right now by giving this stream one like. One lonely trader out there surfing the internet looking for a live stream is going to be able to reap a reward from you today, because if you all like the stream, it will send our channel out to those lonely traders who are out there just looking for a stream to jump on. So we appreciate you, and the Lonely Trader Committee appreciates you as well. Yes. Like it up, chat. Like it up. I think we can get 200 price pretty quickly here. Yeah, I think we can get 200. It shouldn't take much. Oh, love. Got love.
Someone in the chat's name is Lonely Trader.
Yeah, I see that.
Oh, that's right. Hey, Lonely Trader, you see that? Lonely Trader came by. Look at that, chat. If we can get 19 more likes, get to 200 likes here. In the next minute. Guys, I'm really lonely. Oh my god. Yo, I love this dude's comments, bro. Oh, we got 191. Can we get to 195 and then to 200? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? 192. 193. 193. Do I hear 195? 195? 194? 194. But do I hear 195? I think I hear 195. 195. 195. Nah, video's good, bro. Your phone is low quality. Increase to YouTube. There you go. Hey, 200. 200 likes before the NY Open. That is just amazing, and it deserves a round of applause. Appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Good morning, Micah.
Hey, Micah. My child has arrived.
I'll wait for it.
Hey, chat. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and come hunt with us every day. Come meet us at the water hole with a bunch of hungry lions.
We eating.
We eating. Just wait on it. You should come to CRI Lenko, bro. Where's that? Let's look it up. Let's look at it.
We're going everywhere.
Oh, South Asia.
Yeah, we'll be there.
Lies in the Indian Ocean. Oh. Wow. Looks like a beautiful island. If you feel like trading's boring, then you are closer to your success. Discipline is boring but effective. Yeah. Gang, trading is boring, right? Luckily we have live streams. Luckily we have YouTube and the internet. Thank God, praise the Lord. But if we didn't, trading would be very, very boring, right? It would just be me sitting here. I probably wouldn't have this music on. I'd probably not be in front of the screen. I'd probably just be doing something else, waiting for a candle to close. But
You just come to the charts every 30 minutes, 15 minutes, hourly, right?
yeah, probably just pull
You're
up,
trading by yourself.
pull up every 30 minutes. You know, just boring, man. Boring. So exciting trading is very risky trading. Very, very risky trading. If you guys jumping in, jumping out, jumping here, jumping there, it doesn't last long term.
It's pretty weird how trading works. It's the less you trade, the more probable you are, and the more you trade, the less probable you are. It's pretty weird, and some people just don't understand that.
Yeah, unless you're just a master scalper.
Yeah.
If you haven't subscribed, Mr. T's on his way.
I said, you better pay the fools.
Barbecue chicken, please. Loving the positive energy. Nick Johnson. Hey, what's up, Jennifer?
Hey, appreciate that, Jennifer.
W. Oh, 220
Good to
likes.
see you
Hey,
again.
can we get to 250, huh? Hey, Bob. What's up, Bob? Hey, Cold's in the building. Nice.
What up,
Shout out
Cole?
Cold.
Young
Shout out
traders,
Cold.
baby.
Get it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, so it's been a good couple months here. One thing that we've been doing though is very simple, just being patient, waiting for our opportunities, waiting for like the NY Open. That's helped us a lot. Waiting for volume to kick in, not jumping on just anything that we see. I hope you guys are starting to get a lot out of the discipline that we display here. One of my main goals was really to show people like what trading really is all about. How it's not, you only see the results of what people have in trading. Not a lot of people are going to be there to trade live to show you like what they're really doing behind the charts, how they're viewing the markets. Yeah, you can get a course or you can get this, or you can get that, but there's not many people out here doing it where you can actually, take advantage of watching somebody trade a session and be a part of that session and see what goes into trading, right? And like you guys said in the chat, it's a lot of just waiting. It's a lot of time just spent on the markets. It's a lot of drawing up plays and sometimes Xing those plays out and drawing up new plays. Some of you guys played basketball or sports growing up, right? It's all about just creating an idea and seeing if that idea will come to fruition, right? An idea based off of your playbook. And if it comes, you execute. If not, you X that one out and you draw up the next idea. And you draw up the next idea. And it's that give and take that we always talk about, that negotiation with the market. If you do this, then I will do this, right? If you do this, then I will do this, right? It's always let the market lead you. Let the market do what it needs to do first. And then we jump on, right? Let it hold up its own end of the bargain, and then we'll own up to our end of the bargain, right? But if it doesn't own up to its end of the bargain, then there's nothing that we can do. There's no deal on the table. We have to rip up the contract and negotiate a new one. And that's what trading's about. Trading's about chilling. It's about sitting, hanging tight, keeping a cool head, calm, and just not being so money hungry, right? Not being so, I'm gonna make money today. Because I gotta post it on IG and I gotta show people that I made $100 today. Like, it's not about that. I think we all get in some way because we see something like that. But the more time I spend in the markets, the more experience I get, the more I realize like it's not about that, right? No one cares anyway. No one cares what you're doing. Right? I think everyone always thinks, man, people are thinking about me, but guess what? No one's thinking about you.
They got their own.
Everyone's thinking about themselves. That's who they're thinking about. They're thinking about them.
Yep.
So hone in here, gang. Don't try and impress people. Just let's get the job done. Let's just get it done. Let's just be. You know how you really be successful? You just be successful. You don't try and look at. You don't have to, try and pull up a flex. I think the whole trading industry kind of got lost in that for a while. And I got lost in that sauce too, right? Because that's kind of what attracted me. But the more I the more I dove in, the more I looked into really successful traders, long-term traders, the more I realized they didn't even have social media. They weren't even, they're just doing their thing, right? And that's what you just need to do. You just need to lock in, head down, and just do your thing. And don't look left, don't look right. Just make sure you have your goals in front of you and just beeline to those goals. And do whatever it takes. And understand that it takes time to get there. And through time, through grit, through effort, through perseverance, you'll be there. You'll be there.
Yep. And chat, another thing is your journey to becoming a full-time professional, successful trader is all up to you, right? Everyone's process is different. It's up to you. It's how quick do you want to start develop these certain skills that you need to be a profitable trader? How quick do you be profitable? How quick do you want to be patient and disciplined? Right? How quick do you want to follow the plan and not deviate from it? Right? Because everyone's process is different. Some people take longer to do that. Some people won't learn from their mistakes. They'll make the same mistakes over and over again until they finally are really down bad from it. But everyone's process is different. It's all up to you on how quick you want to follow the formula, right? We have the formula here on how to be a full-time successful trader, and it's all up to you of when you want to start doing those things that involve being a profitable trader.
100%.
Doing the things like developing these certain skills and practicing, building your discipline, patient muscle, and following the plan, right? And not going against it.
Yep. Yeah,
everyone's process is different.
Yeah, it is. And it could take me, what it took me to 10 years to do, John's gonna be able to possibly do that in 3 years, right? So why? Because he's willing to take advantage of the opportunities in front of him and learn from the mistakes really quickly, because he knows, hey, once I get over that mistake and climb over to the other side of the fence, well, now I don't need to make that mistake anymore, right? So a lot of you guys are making mistakes and you're just continuing to make them. And I've been there. I did that for a while, but you got to understand, it's not a time thing, right? It's not, it has to take me. People ask, how long did it take you? Or I see that question asked all the time on everywhere, right? How long does it take to be profitable? That is not a good question. That question it's always going to be different. It's always going to be, there's never going to be a one size fit all on how long it takes to become profitable as a trader, right? You can take 1 year, you can take 10 years. John's 18, exactly. He's learning a lot. He's doing really well, but there's someone else who's been in the game maybe, and it's not even like John hasn't been in the game for a while. Although he's 18, he still has how much time you got? How long have you been trading for?
2 years.
2 years. So, he could learn things in 2 years to set himself up that it may take another guy 20 years to learn. So it's never about, how long is it going to take? It's more so how long is the information going to take to get through the 6 inches between your ears, to get into this mind and to make sure you're learning what you need to do and what adjustments you need to make. And that you just got to be a professional. That was the big thing for me. I just had to be a professional. If I was going to provide for my family with this and not sit here and blow accounts and I thought to myself, man, how immature is this? After a while, after a bunch of accounts, I just thought to myself, how immature is this? Like we were talking about the other day, if I talked to a professional trader and told him what I was doing, he would think I was a newbie. He would think I was what's up with you, bro? You're gonna learn the lessons here or what? So I just made a decision, bro. I was the leader. I'm the leader of my house. So as the leader, I need to make mature decisions. And at that point, something just hit me, and I said, you know what? I gotta be a professional in this game, because if I'm gonna make money for my family, provide a lifestyle for them, then I can't do this based off gambling or guessing. I need to make sure I'm solid. I need to make sure I know exactly what I'm looking for, when I'm looking for it, and how to avoid every other thing that wasn't a part of my plan. And that's a big thing too. If you guys could just ignore all the noise outside of your own plan, like I always say, not every pip is my pip. Not all pips are our pips, right? Those sometimes it's just noise. Like this move up here is just noise. It's just noise right now, and it doesn't interest me anymore, but it used to. It used to. Now I just wait patiently, you know, and if it doesnn't line up perfectly with what I'm looking for, then I'll wait for the next one. And if that don't line up, I'll wait for the next one. And I got no problem waiting for the next trade every single time if it doesn't line up with exactly what I'm looking for to take a position. So
by showing up to the charts every day consistently, you can build these certain, you know, certain skills in trading, and you can see certain things every day. You see the same thing happen every day. And you'll really start to know your pair that you're trading very well.
Yeah, because although I was failing a lot and I wasn't really learning, subconsciously I was, because I understood that there was a process. I understood that there would be trial and error. And, you know, I understood that at some point, you know, that process would unfold and I would learn from that. And that's exactly what happened, right? Eventually that, boom, that light bulb went off due to all the failure, due to all the trial and error. And after having consistent time in the markets, you know, over 2 years consistently showing up for the New York session, following traders that were really, really good at what they did, I started to follow suit, right? I started to fall in line with what they were doing, because I knew, hey, these guys are profitable. I'm not. I need to take advice. I need to learn what they're doing. I can't just jump on positions that I'm guessing at. And as long as I know and have that sample size data, then I could confidently enter trades and feel like I'm being a mature trader and, you know, doing what the professionals do. So yeah, shout out to Uncle Scalp, casually profiting 25K in 12 days. Yeah, we're
get it.
That's what we do here, baby. Thanks a lot. Before I joined the stream, I was running all over like a headless chicken. He's here. Glad you made it here.
Yes.
Yeah, I really wish I could reiterate everything you just said. Like, that is just so facts. You guys literally have a free live stream, right? We've been through the fire. We've been through the trials and tribulations, you know? I mean, me personally, it's like I've tried every indicator in the book. I've tried so many different things, and it's just like, you know, especially for some of you who are brand new to trading, like Colt, for example, I told him, bro, if you could literally lock in and just focus on exactly what we're doing, follow every single thing that we're doing, and, you know, you really work hard, and you're really studying, and you're really practicing the discipline, man, like, you know, I'd envy you with the amount of time that, like, you're gonna save yourself in this game.
Yeah.
Because it's already all right here in front of you.
Yep. Yeah, gang.
Nothing is hidden.
And Sam too, gang. Sam is. These two guys over here are both incredible traders. Before I even met Sam been doing this thing. Like, Sam is an amazing trader. He has skin in the game. He knows what he's doing. He used to live stream himself. So these guys, they can go on and they can trade. They don't need to sit on the stream. They can go ahead and trade without it. Because why? Because they have the skin in the game. They have the experience. They have the mistakes. They have the adjustments. And now they know what they're doing moving forward. And that's the point where each and every one of you want to get to, where you could be on vacation in the Maldives, open up your chart, know exactly what you're looking at, and know exactly how to extract money out of the markets. And these guys right here, they're just amazing. They're young, they're on the come up, and they are just incredible at what they do. So anything that they say, listen to these guys too, because they know their stuff. They really do. Shit, I used to learn a little bit from Sam just about this strategy myself.
Yeah.
Mr. Big Pit.
Like, on my Instagram, it's so crazy because it's literally the same thing now. Very similar to now and what we do, or what I did then to now.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, I know.
But yeah, I appreciate those words though.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, Nick. And most of what I learned is, of course, from Nick. So always shout Nick out.
Sir, it's what we do. It's what we do.
Nick's the greatest, bro.
Oh my
Nick.
goodness, I didn't hear the echo.
Yeah, dude, I'm fast with it now.
Oh.
He's quick. He's like, I know I'm gonna be on echo.
Good morning, boys. Good morning, chat.
Morning, Tanny. What's the good
How we
word?
feeling?
Amazing, bro. How about you?
Grateful.
Another beautiful day outside.
Oh yeah. Haven't gone outside yet today, but looks really nice. Looks really nice. Hey Nick, I'm having issues in holding trades and please advise me how to hold a winning trade. I am able to do analysis correct, also struggling when trades go into drawdown. Please advise. Okay, so trading is pretty simple, right? You're gonna have profit, you're gonna have drawdown. You know, any trade you can get both in. Again, going back to waiting for your setup and really being able to, let's say you get this closure here, you're taking a trade on it. Plan this trade out before you ever even enter, right? If you're saying, hey, I expect price to come up here, but you're struggling with holding the trade, well, just look left and understand, hey, where can the markets give me some profit, right? And it would be right around this resistance level. So what I would do is I would run this up, right? After obviously creating a bottom wick, run this up, and once you tap into this level, close 90% of your position and hold the rest of the trade. And hold the rest of the trade till you actually get up here. And then you see it, oh man, it actually did what I thought it would do, right? And now next time that happens, when price closes above and you want to hold the trade, now instead of closing 90% here, close 80% and hold the rest until you get up here. And then continue doing that, and then close 50%, and then close 40%, and then I'm sure at some point you'll get to a point in your trading where you won't close anything. And you'll just hold the trade to where you know price is gonna go. And that's the big thing too. You have to understand what is your target. You can't just blindly hold for price to go where, right? Where's the target? Understand what the trade can give you and close your partials. And as you close your partials, you leave some open, you start to see, oh man, that played out. You know, next time you close a little bit less partial, so you have a bigger runner and a bigger runner, and you start, not only do you get experience, but you also start to, you know, get into the habit of letting your trades run. So that's what I would do. Close up a big part of your partials in the beginning, and then slowly start to decrease the amount of partials you close until you're actually holding full positions till full targets. So that's what I would say. But don't be blind to what else is here as well. You know, you always want to close partials. You always want to look left and see what will the market offer me today, and then you want to close partials there. So that's, yeah.
You want to close partials on your trades.
Yeah, you do. But you know, sometimes you want to hold the full position, and I think it's just warming up to it. So, you know, slowly start to close less and less and see how that works out for you.
Yeah, and test certain things out on your own that you see, that you want to try out.
Yeah, you could lower your lot size too. Yep, lower your lot size. Close partials, let the rest run. Yep. Second, you decide to be a trader and you start learning one of, if not the most important, remaining process focused. Yeah. Yep. Yep. So can we get a closure here at NY Open? We got 9 minutes. That's the question here today. That's the question we have right now for the charts. Markets, can you close above 1965, 180, 156 here? Maybe. And if you can, I need you to leave a wick and I need a bottom wick. So that is our end of the negotiation deal here today. So in order for us to take a deal, we need to see a closure, and we need two things that the market needs to give us. We need to see a top wick on the current candle that closes, and we need to see a bottom wick on the new one that opens. And if the market can give us those three things, then we have a deal at the NY Open. If not, no deal.
Yep, simple.
No deal. How can I trade with you? right here. Oh, do you want to come sit next to me right here? Other than that, you can get right here. I knew I was in the right place with the title of this YouTube. I announced to you guys on the status, let's feed, I'm about to share the daily word. Amen. I appreciate what you do with your live streams here. Thank you, man. Oh, thank you, Martha. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. You're already hanging out with... Do you use magic keys with fixed lot percentage on your account? I use both. I mainly use fixed lots though. Thinking about dynamic risk, lot size. Yeah, I usually just put in one position for the most part and just trade like a 10 lot, 8 lot. If we go on GJ, I'll usually raise the lots a little bit, but yeah, gold is usually 10 lot, anywhere from 7, 8, 9, 7, 8 or 10 lot. Just depends on the size of the stop loss. Hi Nick, I posted on Discord. Can you review it? Yeah. Is your strategy dependent on price action and candlesticks? Yeah, it is. Yep. Charts for stream. Let's take a look at this chart here. Hi Nick, can you comment on my chart please to improve? Let's take a look. So buys above, wait for resistance or retest on level. Sells below, wait for a retest on level. Potential TP. Yeah, looks good. Looks just about what I got. Yep, looks clean. Got that resistance right there, very smart. And above that, clean traffic. You have a very strong level of support here, and then below that, very clean traffic. So looks really good, Lonely Trader. Looks really good. Clean traffic. So once we get a breakout of this range here, we will be good to move pretty smoothly here, especially if we get these closures during times of volume. So, but it looks good. Nice, clean, not too many lines, not much going on, right? Very, very simple on the eyes, and beautiful. beautiful. What you guys do in London last night? Anything? Johnny boy?
Yeah, I caught some GJ sells.
Oh, talk to us about that.
It was at 4:30.
Oh, nice.
Time. Yeah. Let me see. I could show you one. I didn't send it.
Oh, okay.
I don't know why.
I'll take a look in a sec.
Forgot.
I see it though. That was beautiful.
Oh, look at this. Johnny boy getting good. He's getting ready to start streaming. He's starting to draw them candles. Oh,
that
nice. Nice.
Here, though, I drew it on my phone.
You drew it on your phone? Awesome. Yeah, I appreciate you guys, man. Sam, John, like, I see Red FX in there a lot, just helping everyone out. Austin, good stuff. Scott, really helping people out. So sometimes before I get to the Discord, I go back and look, and you guys got it all covered for me, man. So I couldn't ask for a better crew here.
Well, bro, I appreciate you more, bro, and I couldn't ask for a better mentor, bro.
You guys are awesome.
You shaped me the man I am today.
Hey, yo.
Send this, I'm gonna send the trade in the Discord now.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, it was pretty fire.
Yeah, I'm looking for resistance here on pound yen also.
Chat, it was just another trade, right? Like,
another trade.
I just think it's amazing, like, once you get a, solid group of people to come together.
yes.
God's plan, baby.
With a passion.
It really is, bro.
Hey,
like,
God did this.
What gets accomplished.
Yeah. And we're just getting started, Man, when I prayed over these plans, God told me He was gonna send the right people here. And I don't care about the amount of subs and the amount of people. Like, I don't care about the quantity. It's all about the quality. I want to make sure people are taking the advice, taking the mentorship, and running with it, and like applying it into their own lives. Like, you know, just to have a bunch of people sitting on stream is one thing. I want to have a lot of people on stream really learning, really applying what we're talking about here, because otherwise we're just wasting our breath, right? Otherwise we're just wasting, you know, our breath on what we're saying. But I love to see it, man. There's so many of you guys, and I've been so impressed. And you know, I've been impressed with you all, and I've also been impressed with, you know, God and the vision that he gave me, and that lives would be impacted and people would be free. And you know, that's what we're doing here, man. We're giving people a roadmap, a guide to become free in their finances, and free in their quality of life, and free in the spirit. So it's just been awesome, and we're just getting started. Literally,
God's amazing.
Literally just getting started.
Literally just beginning.
And now you guys will start to see the momentum build up. Yeah.
When you're around people like this, like a community like this, around winners, man, you get things done, and your mind really, you get sharp, and you start to just attract to win, right? Like you just start to win.
Yeah.
Because you're around winners.
Yeah, man. Winners win. They're not always the easiest to be around, right? Sometimes you guys hear me joking around, like, why are you in the buys? Why are you this? Why? Right? They're not the easiest to be around, but they win, right? And if you get around winners, you're gonna win too. Association is everything. You know, if you hang around with guys that love Mustangs, you probably like Mustangs. If you hang around with, you know, people who smoke cigarettes, chances are you smoke cigarettes. If you're, you know, all your crew of friends all like the New York Yankees, very high chance you're a Yankee fan. If all your friends, you know, are really good traders, chances are you're going to be a really good trader over time, right? So association is everything, everything. All right.
Super grateful.
My bad. NY open, but no closure above.
Simple. How's pound yen look? Oh, no bottom wick.
No bottom wick here. Yeah, I was hoping we got a bottom wick there, because we probably could have took these sells right here.
Yes, for below that support.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Hourly candle close, very weak bearish. You're kind of in this range as well here, so you got like a support. Fake out. Potentially, you break that low, you potentially come down with the NY open, but yeah, nothing for gold just yet. Oh man, Nick, I've been watching your streams for over a month now, and my knowledge has grown so much. Oh man, awesome, James. Good to hear that, bro. What are your thoughts on GJ? Thoughts on GJ are candle close with no bottom wick, but this 1 hour is not too bad. You have the NY open here, you have a wick here. If we break that low, you may have an opportunity to continue down. There's just a 30-minute support here I can't get over, and it's very, very choppy on the 15 support right here as well. So I think I'm gonna wait maybe for a 15-minute candle to close here on GJ and see what happens at that point. Because if we do get somewhat of a celery play based off the 30-minute, what we could do is we could look to enter. We could have sell stops, but have them on the break of this low here, which is the 1 hour low. Break of that low for price to continue down. So something like this. So I'll have this candle close like weak bullish. Next candle break the lows. That'll be our entry and continue driving down to retest support. So that's what I'll wait for on pound yen. Because that is the 1 hour low as well. So although the 30 did close with no bottom wick, the 1 hour closed pretty clean to where it has somewhat of a resistance at this point, and that's what we're waiting for, is a resistance. But to add some more confirmation to that, I'd rather wait for a celery play to show up here, and then once we break that 1 hour low, we can continue down. Raja mentioned 2026 might be the end of Forex. Really? Tell me more about that.
Yeah, I told him they might have to ask Uncle Scalp.
Tell me more. Tell me more. What exactly did he say? What did he say? Can't wait for Johnny's London streams. Yeah, the London money.
Oh, I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, the people are looking for a female mod here. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. I think we're gonna probably do another mod at 5K. So that should happen pretty soon, actually. Because when did we hit 3K? Was that Friday?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, so we're already at over 3,200 here. So. Appreciate you, Nick. So grateful for all you do. Hey, Austin's in the building. Our newest mod. Speaking of new mods, the newest mod. Hope you guys checked out Austin's words of wisdom here today in the Discord. If you guys aren't a part of our free Discord, come on into the Discord and join the party. Oh, we got another desk set up. Oh, hey.
Hey, good morning, Austin.
Adam.
Yeah, good morning, Austin.
Nice. The lives on the TV.
Hey.
Show you guys do.
Oh, yo, I sent the trade from London.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Nice, see that? It's resistance form, support, closure below, and beautiful trade.
Yep. The next one, the next pick was runners.
Nice.
Close full there.
Close full right here. So entry was on this candle. Oh, nice.
No, entry was on the
middle.
The runners on the next candle.
Yeah, I know. Almost got stopped at break even, huh?
Almost.
Almost, but no cigar. But yeah, if you guys, this is our free Discord. You guys are more than welcome to join. And by the way, we now have an official. So starting tomorrow, you will see the words of wisdom in this section here. Words of wisdom. So that way they don't get lost in the traders chat room anymore. Because these are really good, but they get lost in the sauce here. So we're gonna make a channel just for the words of wisdom.
Hey.
But don't play it safe. Yeah, big W for Austin, man. The people want it, and the people gonna get it. They've demanded it. You're the product of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Yeah, absolutely.
I've been them since Fieldstone.
Huh?
No, I was reading one of the comments.
Oh.
Reading chat.
Damn, I heard the voice. At first, I thought it was Raja. Holy! Yeah, I got his voice down pretty good. You guys can tell I've listened to him quite a bit. The man. Holy!
Disturb said he hit BE on that trade and you're upset. Listen, you followed your plan. You should be happy. You followed your plan. You protected your positions. You know, if you didn't secure any profits, then maybe next time, you know, you could think about that. Oh, last time I didn't secure anything and come back and hit my break even, but I was up. I don't know how many pips it was. We'll say like 20 pips.
Yeah. Yep.
It's all good. Can't be.
Raja was trolling.
Ever be mad as long as
Yeah, you
the
just gotta learn from
plan played out.
What can I do next time? Yeah.
Everyone's like, yeah, Raja was trolling, bro. He was trolling.
He's trolling. Yeah, Roger does a little bit of trolling.
Hey, we do a little bit of trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Do a little trolling.
Yeah, that's funny.
I love the Trumps.
Yeah,
We do a little troll. We do a little troll.
Hey, chat,
Let's troll.
let's break this down though, because this is pretty important in here, man. So look at this. The biggest risk is taking no risk at all, man. My mentor used to tell me, you show me you show me someone who's never failed, I'll show you a failure. I'll show you someone who just settled down for an average life. An average life is the biggest risk that you could ever take in life. The government will not take care of you. All the promises they give you, I promise. At the end of the day, my promise holds more weight than their promise. Trust me. And I'm promising right now that they are not taking care of you. So waiting for a corporation or waiting for a company to take care of you and your family, especially if you think they're going to do that as you move into retirement, well, you know, maybe that's working right now, and maybe it's worked for our grandparents and their parents, but there's a time coming very soon where they will not be taking care of you into retirement. Not even that. Who actually has a job and has stayed in the same place for over 20 years at this point? I understand that there are people, but the number is very few at this point, right? Don't play life so safe. You know, don't live in the comfort zone. The comfort zone, man, my mentor used to tell me the comfort zone is the casket. Nothing good happens in the comfort zone. He used to tell me, Nick, pressure is a privilege. Pressure is a privilege. Pressure makes diamonds. Pressure makes precious stone, and that's what's going on, right? So you can't be in the comfort zone, man. The comfort zone is a casket. You got to go beyond, like Austin said, go beyond your comfort zone. And you know what's cool? Once you go out of your comfort zone, you become alive, man. Like, I remember when I first started public speaking and speaking on stages and, you know, going different places and talking. And man, in the beginning, that was really scary. Like, but the more I did it, the more it just became natural. The more I put myself in to get uncomfortable, the stronger I got, the better I got. You know, I would get off a stage, you know, be a bit nervous to get up there, you know, but I'll get up there and I'll do it anyway. You face that fear, right? You go up there, you do it anyway. And then, man, when I used to walk off the stage, I used to feel like I want to go back up there, you know, like I just, that feeling was just so amazing, right? So as you start to push the boundaries and get yourself away from your comfort zone, you are going to love the feeling. It's very scary thinking about getting out of the comfort zone. But when you actually go and you start taking those risks and doing those things and being comfortable with getting uncomfortable, man, that's where all your potential lies. All your potential lies is on the other side of that comfort. So like Austin said, you know, don't let this happen. Take risks now. Go after what you're passionate about. Don't worry about how others perceive you. Remember, others aren't thinking of you. Others are thinking of themselves, right? This is your life, your goals, your passions. Yep. Start acting. Stop complaining about why your life is the same and unhappy and unfulfilled. The change starts with you. And we talk about that with trading all the time. We just talked about that, about how at the end of the day, it's going to take you to change the game. No one's coming to save you. If you're going to be profitable, you're going to have to put down those weak habits, right? Those habits that aren't serving you as a trader. They're not serving you in life. You got to start putting those habits down. Change starts with you. One year of work ethic, discipline, and you'll be able to be free. You'll be able to take your computer, take your laptop, and go about your business. So grab that opportunity, man.
Bro, I love it.
Make the change today. I love it. Oh, I already liked it. I like this one yet. If you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, would you capture it? Or would you let it slip?
Facts.
Palms are sweaty.
Palms are heavy. All spaghetti.
Yeah, mom spaghetti.
It's all right. You're throwing up mom spaghetti. It's all good.
Because on the surface, you look calm and ready.
Bro, you got scammers in your Discord who use your name and pictures. Yeah, unfortunately, it's uncontrollable, man. I don't really know what to do. Just you know, use your brain, everyone. Just know right now how many people are here. 500. All 500 of you just understand that I will never message you first, right? A lot of times I will reply to messages, but I'm never gonna randomly DM you and ask you to send me Bitcoin. It's never gonna happen. Hey man, send me some Bitcoin. Never gonna happen. So just all of you guys know that now, so that way there's 500 people who can save from being scammed. Just use your brain. Just use your brain, gang. It's 2023, and getting scammed online is like 2017. So just use your brain, man. If you ever do buy anything from me, before you buy it from me, jump on a call, right? Make sure you're jumping on a call with whoever you think you're buying something from, and make sure you can see that person, hear that person, confirm that it is that person before you ever send any money anywhere. I don't care if it's $5. Just join the Discord. Nice. Did you see the video of him moving into his house in Dubai? I actually did not watch that video yet. I'll probably watch it.
Dead about to watch it, and then some came up.
Yeah.
Literally right at the beginning.
Can you show me your background settings? Yeah, sure. Just take a quick picture of it. Ready? And I'm gonna exit out in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Wait.
1. Everyone got their picks? Got your pick? All right. If not, just rewind the stream back. Hey, yo, 500 people, but 280 likes. If you guys could like the stream, let's get to at least 300 likes here before the 15-minute close here in 1 second. Come on, gang. You know, that's the power, though. We can actually get to 300 in 1 second with one click of a button. If you all click the button at the same time, then we could actually do that. What about GJ sells in the 1 hour? Why aren't you interested? I am interested. I would rather see a 30-minute celery, and then I will take the 1 hour. So I want to see a little bit more confirmation before getting in on the break of the lows here. So a 30-minute celery would give me a lot more confidence and confirmation to enter this position, and that's what I'm waiting for right now. Have you heard about the 20 pip challenge? No, I have not. No, I have not. Hey Nick, how do we decide which challenge we pick from? What do you mean? Like what's? I would do evaluation every time I've done it. I've just do evaluation and go through their phases, and then yeah, get your account. Love that, bro. Damn, bro, 500 watchers, killing it. Hey, that guy TK's in the build. Thank you, bro. Nick, send Nick BTC. No, don't do that. Oh man. If you're scamming, at least like the stream. Word.
Definitely worth it.
Hey, we didn't get 300 likes in 1 second, but we did do it in 1 minute, guys. Thank you. Thank you. That right there. That deserves another round of applause. Appreciate that. I used your link for Magic Keys, still getting it set up. Oh, nice. Nice. AI can mimic me? Yeah. Yeah, man. Same face, same voice. Yeah, that's scary. We need a code word here, gang. We need a code word. You know, like you give your kids like a code word. Like, if I ever send someone to pick you up, ask them for the code word.
I have one with my homies. It's chocolate.
It's chocolate. How about this? It's time.
No, yeah, you gotta ask them. Go, what time is it?
Yeah.
Imagine they're like, it's 8. What is it? 8:17. It's time.
It's time. Is Magic Keys worth it? Absolutely, I think so. I haven't traded without Magic Keys now in 2 years. So I don't even know how to trade anymore without Magic Keys.
A lot of work.
Me no speaking English. You doing exactly what Raja does? Not exactly, but very, very similar. He was one of my mentors, so yeah.
Raja.
Please explain your trade management. What do you mean? What do you mean? Green, what up, Green? Greenery's in the building.
Green.
What's happening, Green? Happy Tuesday. Oh, it's Taco Tuesday today, gang. I'm gonna have to get some either steak or ground beef tacos tonight. Do I order out or do I cook them at home? Well, that depends on my wife. That depends on the boss. The boss calls the play. It's her world, I'm just living in it. Alright, so now's a good time for all you impulse entry enters to get yourself an impulse entry at the break of these highs. You got 820 coming up here in 45 seconds. You should see a push. You should see a push, and we may be able to get a closure above here on the 30-minute time frame to continue on up at 8:30 here. So you should see a nice push up if you start breaking these highs. You got the comics open here. Comics. You waiting for a 30-minute close? Yes, I think so. Might take sells on GJ now. Go for it. Hey, if that's you, go for it. I'm going to wait for this 30 to close. If it closes just like that, that's going to be perfect. I'm going to take sells on the break of the 1 hour lows. And gold, if we get a closure above, you should see a push now. Like right now. Like right this second now. Like once we break these highs. You should see a really nice push. So I would be expecting that, and then this 30-minute to close above, and then we should be good to go. Should be good to go for 8:30. I want Magic Keys mainly for, there's your push. There it goes. I want Magic Keys mainly for calculating my 2% risk. Yeah, but you're going to love it when you hit one button too and it just closes partials. Like you're like, close 80%, one button, boom. Close half, one button, boom. Move stop loss to break even, one button. So there's so many cool features to Magic Keys. Yeah, there's a link on the Discord, and I believe there's a link in the description on YouTube as well. Cold dolphin milk.
Dolphin milk. I haven't heard that one in a little bit.
I love the patience I'm learning. Hey, Bradley, yup. That's all you need to master, brother. The patience, and you will be good to go.
Seriously.
How do you move your chart up and down without zooming in and out? Just click the background. Or drag these. Do you use candlestick analysis? Yes. How much percentage of your account is 10 lot on gold? Well, it all depends how big the stop loss is, right? So if it's 10 pips, it's 1%. If it's 20 pips, it's 2%. If it's 30 pips, it's 3%. If it's 40 pips, it's 4%. So it depends how big the stops are. Cook at home? All right, we'll cook at home. Yeah, I think that's what we'll probably do. Can you explain why you would be expecting buys from that zone on gold? Yeah, absolutely. So we had the daily high here, which we just broke it. Plus we had our current daily high as well. So that's where the daily high was. We broke that. That's also where the 1 hour resistance is. If you notice, there's a very strong resistance right here that we have been rejecting, that we really need to get over, right? So we need to close above, and then once we close above, we have clean traffic to the left hand side, and that clean traffic will allow us to have a nice clean push, especially with the NY open volume coming in. So you get this candle to close above, and then next candle should be able to pump up and fill the range. Because if we're breaking into this range here, then there's a high chance that we will start to fill the range, and that's why we're looking for buys above there. Right now, price is trapped and it needs to figure out a direction, and in order to do that, it has to close either above here or below here. Tacos. If the current candle closed below the range, means what is mean in it, and what will our move? What do you mean? Yeah, if it doesn't close above, then there's no trade yet. Hey Nick, can you please explain how to use a fib? I don't use Fibonacci.
Fib.
Yeah, you don't really need a fib. But there's a lot of the best video I could recommend on fib would probably be like, go to like Swaggy C or something, search him up. But fibs, you don't really need that much. Let's pull a fib out.
Bro, last time I used a fib was 2020.
Yeah, it's a fib. Fib. Stop fibbing, right? How much you risk per trade depends on the stop loss. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back.
The 1 hour, a better confirmation than the 30-minute. They're both good. The 1 hour is a stronger confirmation. The stronger time frame.
They're both very solid though.
Both solid, yes.
The 15 minutes where it starts to get a little,
Yeah.
it could get tragic.
Yeah. Like most of the entries you're seeing here are 30 and 1 hours. That's it.
What SL will you use if this candle closes above the range? It'll probably be current candle stops if it makes a decent enough bottom wick.
Oh yeah, looking good, chat. Lock it in. Lock it in. I'm be looking to take buys here once this candle closes above. So we'll have buy stops set most likely on the break of these highs here. So buy stops here. Trade will look something like this. Stops are about 36 pips. And yeah, it'll look like this. So we got about 100 pip move ahead of us. I'll probably go break even right around this area here, which is
It's like 15 pips.
36 pips. So not bad. Let's see if we can get it done. See if we can get a closure above. That's the main thing we need here. Without that, we got nothing. Nick, the minor resistance behind the clean traffic doesn't. No, you're talking about this one, right? Nah. Nope. If we are closing above and breaking that high, we're pretty much going to be breaking past all this, so that shouldn't be an issue. But I am looking at this one though. Let's take a look at pound yen also here. Yeah, I want to see GJ close a little weaker bullish. Two minutes. Can we get what we need here from the market? Let me just get myself set up. Just in case. Hey, yo, 600 people watching. Appreciate you guys stopping by. If you guys could like the stream, that'd be great. And sub to the channel. Come pull up on us every day. Tune into the live streams. A lot of good value, a lot of good knowledge, and just a fun time overall. So we look forward to seeing you guys as a subscriber and tuning into the stream. Nick, are you looking for 30-minute entries? Yeah. Is the 1 hour 30-minute better for confirmation? Both are pretty good. It just depends on, you know, right now we're waiting on a 30-minute because there's 1 minute left in the 30-minute candle. So we're waiting for a 30-minute. But doesn't look like we're going to get the closure. Had your 820 push. What up? What did you say?
That gold's teasing.
Gold's teasing. And we closed very, very weak bullish, so nothing on gold yet. GJ not bad though. I think if we get a top wick here on pound yen, I may look to have sells here. But these sells would be based off of the hourly. So the hourly low right there. Let's take a look at the 1 hour candle. 4 hour. Yeah, we'll see what happens with GJ here. Gold heading downtown though. Look at this. Wow. Wow. So even with no bottom wick, yeah, I probably would have waited for a bottom, steep bottom wick on the current candle, and then probably would have took them, yeah. So for 10 pip, you risk 21%, 20 pip, yeah, exactly. Hey, Marvin's in the building. What up, Marvin? If the 30-minute would have closed above, where would you want the bottom wick? I would have wanted it somewhere. Well, it didn't close above, so there's really no point. I mean, I would have wanted it somewhere back in this range to retest this level and maybe like some of these wicks here. And then once it broke the high, then that would have been a good idea there.
Hey, good morning, Red FX.
Red FX in the building.
Sir Wed.
Yeah, those sells on GJ don't look the greatest. Yeah, we're starting to break 30-minute highs here too.
That 4 hour looks like it wants to make a pullback.
Yeah, 4 hour looks like it wants to create support here too. Continue up. All right, yeah, so it looks like we're gonna be waiting a little bit longer here. See, we were almost there, right? See how we were just about to maybe get ready to do something, and now you see falling back now, right? That's how it is, man. That's how it is in trading. We draw up ideas, see if it works, see if it plays out. Doesn't play out, you just sit back now. Now you gotta wait a little longer. We gotta negotiate another deal. We gotta do some more give and take, right? You don't let the market push you around. You don't let it make decisions for you. You gotta be the negotiator, the deal maker. Give me 1 sec. I gotta answer this phone call, and I'll be right back. Yep.
Impulse buyer shook. True.
Right. Hi, John. When will you start streaming? Potentially July or August. Potentially August.
Jose, I agree. I think if you look at the previous 4 hour too, it was bearish. But you know, still no setup or anything, so we wait.
Yep.
We wait.
Have me getting up at midnight. Seriously. The London schedule is pretty tough, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Took me a little bit to adjust.
That's what I mean. Like, oh man, I'll definitely pull up every once in a while, but
Yeah. But no, it's definitely tough, but brutal, yeah.
and you're gonna want to be here for New York too.
Yeah, I know. That's it's gonna be London, then New York. Trading Asian also? No, I'm not. I don't trade Asian.
Yeah,
It's pretty.
Session.
It can be brutal because like last night I didn't go to bed till like 9:30, so I probably didn't fall asleep till 10, and I got up at 1:30 too, right? So it's like less than 5 hours of sleep. So
Yeah.
hour naps are key. If anything, I'll just take a nap, like a quick 20-minute nap in school, be chilling.
Yeah, you'd be chilling.
Yeah, but
Dude, I remember one time I stayed up all night and all day, and then or wait, what was it? I was up the whole day for school. Like, got home, stayed up the whole night, went back to school. Dude, by like 2 p.m. I remember they had to wake me up. I was sleeping on the desk.
Those kids are hilarious. The ones that just like are sleeping the whole class.
I know. I have a video of one kid who was literally out for so long, and I was like, bro, this dude might have OD'd.
Yo.
He's like one of those ones too.
Word. For real,
Yeah.
bro. A lot of kids be ODing, especially in my school.
Yeah, it was crazy. I don't know. This is the thing. I really don't miss high school that much. I know a lot of people usually do, and that's just because it was their heyday.
Yeah.
The only thing that I really would miss is like, you know, kind of seeing my friends and that every day, but I don't know.
Yeah.
Even then, I didn't even really see them that much.
Yeah, exactly. That was like
my
the only.
senior year and that. Yeah, because I never had any classes with any of them.
Yeah, that's the only thing. Like, yeah, you see your friends. That's a good thing. But like, honestly, majority of the time though, you're just sitting in class. Like,
Yeah.
pretty boring. I can't wait to get out of high school.
Yeah. What that guy TK just said. Peaked in high school, literally, bro.
Yeah, what are you in school for? I'm in high school and I'm about to graduate next week.
Yeah.
Funded, yes.
Oh wow, GJ
I don't
really
miss high
pushed.
school either. Yeah, stop. Facts.
Broke the high, broke the 1 hour highs here. Nice. Well, there's our range too. Five to 6 hours of sleep. Yeah.
About the London, so like the London
Yeah,
schedule.
that's like golden. I don't know last time.
I remember when I used to get that much sleep.
Yeah, really.
Nah, just,
You really only need like 5 to 6 hours. You know, you don't want to sleep your life away. You gotta be careful with what the government says.
Yeah, like I don't know. Like my thing is, it's just like if you're not tired, I don't know. There's always something you could do. Whether it's just like something simple, stupid around the house, like go throw your clothes in the washer, or go clean the dishes. I don't know.
I feel like the more sleep you get, the more tired you get. Is that just me or like?
Yeah, exactly.
Sometimes.
That's what I mean. That's why I say like just being active. I don't know. Just be up until you're literally so tired. That's why I say like some people are like dim lights. You know, they're always just kind of on. You know, they don't have a time when they're on, time when they're off.
yeah. Yeah, I usually just wake up. I usually get up around like 4:30 and just stay up all day, do my thing, and then bro, when I'm ready for bed at night, it just lights out. Lights out.
Seriously.
Oh, let's see here. How do you detach yourself from a profit, loss, and negativity? So that's a good question. The way you detach from that is you have to understand that trading is a game of probabilities and that you're never always going to be right, and you should never always be wrong. You got to understand that in this game, throughout the rest of your career, you're going to have wins, you're going to have losses. I always talk about never really getting too up or too down on one single trade, because one trade really doesn't mean anything. One trade is just one trade. The results speak for themselves over the course of a month or even a quarter or even a year. So one trade should never affect you unless you really did something dumb or you are over risking. And if you're not over risking and you're following your plan and you're understanding that, you know, there's losses that come with following my plan just as much as there's wins that come with following the plan, then you can start to see things for what they really are and not things that you're trying to force to happen, right? No one goes into a trade expecting to lose, right? But sometimes probability just isn't on our side. So you have to understand, once you wait for your setup, you wait for your playbook entry, you've done your job. Whether you win or lose has nothing to do with you. That becomes all about probability at that point. So if you lose one trade, you're not a bad trader. You know, the best trader you know loses trades. You just got to understand, hey, did I follow my plan? Did I stick to the playbook? If I did, okay, it was a good loss, and you move on. It won't be the last loss you ever take. It won't be the first loss. You'll have more losses in the future, and you just got to understand that it comes with the territory. Comes with the territory, and what I always like to say is just charge it to the game. Charge that loss to the game like you paid rent that day, and keep it moving. That's how you just completely detach. Just when I take trades, I don't care about the outcome. I know what the outcome is on average, that it's, let's say, 8 out of 10 times we're gonna win this trade. That's why I enter it. But when I'm in the trade, I'm in the trade now. I did my job. I did what I was supposed to do. If we win the trade, awesome. If we lose the trade, awesome as well. No big deal, right? It's just one single trade. As long as you're not throwing too much on the line, it shouldn't really matter. So yeah, that's what I would say. Again, sticking to your plan is going to remove those emotions in your trading, and get you away from feelings. So just stick to the plan. All emotions come from either breaking your plan or not having one in the first place. So just make sure you're in check on both those two things, and don't worry about your loss. Don't dwell on your loss. Don't celebrate the win. Just it's another trade.
Ready.
Oh, all I need is 1% to pass my first fade. Oh, nice. Pip snatcher. Let's go. Let's get that. Don't force it though. Just let it come natural. Push-ups when you wake up. Yeah, army life. Yeah, that's what John does every day. Push-ups. Push-ups when he gets up.
Hey, yo, nasty in the chat. Ooh. Better pull up on Dubs and get him to fill that war with CC, bro.
Time to eat.
Time to eat. Do a little bit of trolling.
How much trade should I take per day? 1 or 2? Oh, we're on day 6 of 101 push-ups a day. Nice. Good stuff, Red Effects. Yeah, I love some of the messages that come in. And you guys are talking about, hey, I'm doing this now, I'm doing this. It's not just I'm getting better at trading, I'm reading every day now. I set time aside to read, or I'm doing push-ups now, or I'm walking an extra mile. Like, what other live stream do you walk away with and start walking miles, jogging, doing push-ups, reading more books, listening to better podcasts, treating your wife better, treating your husband better, right? Paying attention to God's word more. Come on, man. It's different, man.
But in fact, I love that you added 101, you know, not just 100. You add an extra rep like that.
Yeah. One of the slogans I used to live by and still kind of do is one more, right? The power of one more. And that's why anytime I would do anything at the gym, most people do sets of 10, I'll do sets of 11, right? Just to get that one extra one, right? That one more compounded effort over the course of a period of time makes all the difference.
You're gonna do 10, I'm gonna do 11.
Yeah, you're gonna do 10, I'm gonna do 11.
Hey, Austin, good shit. Stuff.
Whoa.
No. So someone asked if I'll be taking this GJ sell. No, buy on the 5th. So it's the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour candle. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback here. So we'll see. But I usually don't like to enter positions in the last 15 minutes of the 4-hour candle. Could you please explain yesterday's gold trade? Yes, very simple 1-hour wick fill. Where was it? Very simple.
Little onion on the 15 too.
Oh, I'm at GJ.
But no, it was based on the 1 hour.
Which one? Yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I was just looking at it back earlier too, and I was like, oh
Right.
wow, 15 minute did a little onion too.
Oh, did it? Yeah, right here. Yeah, it was
Yeah.
a simple 1-hour wick fill. That's it.
Really like that trade.
Yeah, it was a good trade. Yeah, you had a support here, right? You had a resistance. You had a support. You had this candle close, creating that resistance. The next candle came down, left us a wick to fill. Also, we had that support there, so we had to be very careful, right? So we were aiming for the wick fill, but we also wanted to make sure we closed partials at the support. So yeah, that's what you've seen. You've seen this candle close bearish, leaving us this wick to fill here. And next candle came, made a top wick at NY open, came down and filled the wick. And we took our profits. I took profits here, and then I took profits at the wick fill, and then it rejected and pushed all the way back up there. So yeah, that was yesterday's trade. Very simple trade that I love to take. Take that trade all the time. Is basically wick fills at the NY open, wick fills at the NYSE open, They're very, very good trades to take.
He said, what does a little onion mean? It's just an onion play.
It's an
It's
onion.
basically a play off resistance. So the first candle at 8 a.m. with New York Open closed bearish on the 15-minute, had a nice top wick. And then at 8:20 with the COMEX volume, you know, that's when the price started to come down and fill the wick and enter
Yep.
our sell stops.
Yep. Yeah, I wanted to see a little bit of a steeper top wick, but I knew that if we were going to break the low, then that was most likely going to be our top wick. So it came up, it didn't break it, so that kind of told me, hey, this is going to be the official high, and if that low breaks, we're going to come down, make a new low, most likely fill the wick like it normally would do at 8 a.m. And yeah, and then that 4-hour closed bullish, and boom, we just went to the moon. We just pushed all the way up to like 1957, right?
Yeah. It'll be interesting to see how today plays out, because like just how the weekly looks for gold.
Yeah.
It's like a weekly seller.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Weekly salary play.
So like if we get a bearish candle today on the daily, then
Yep. Yeah, if we get this, remember what we talked about yesterday on the breakdown? Maybe 1, maybe 2 days of bullish candles. 2 bullish candles on the daily, and then a resistance formed up here. And back down we go. Weekly and monthly. Monthly come down, re-break the lows. I believe those are the weekly lows also. Yeah, this low right here though, that's the monthly low, previous monthly. So you start breaking that, along with that weekly low, we're going downtown. But so far today we are pretty bullish. So downtown.
yes, chat, when I say these things, I'm not sitting here telling you, oh, jump into a swing position for sells. No, I'm not saying that at all. At the price, I like looking at the price. I like looking at those.
One more, baby. Yep. I do 100 push-ups at one time, then I start my workout. Nice.
It's
$100 in a row. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Crazy. I was about to say, did somebody say?
Yeah.
Yeah, Yogi in the chat, bro.
Like Tate said, man, you should be able
got the
to.
dog in him. He said, I do 100 push-ups at one time, then I start my workout. You got the dog in him, bro.
400 likes, easy. Yeah, we should be able to. Yeah, can we get 400 likes?
Yeah. You guys should all smash that like button at one time, so that way, you know, it'll send the algorithm and it'll be like, yo, something crazy's going on in the stream right now. And then you guys will have lots of new friends in the chat.
Yeah, to BS with, talk with.
And then that'll bring more good questions in that, you know, you might want to hear.
Yup.
Might answer some of yours as well.
Yup. Exactly. Yeah, let's see how this 4-hour closes.
Futures trader. Or futures yesterday. Tighten up.
Tighten up, baby. Tighten up. GJ.
It's always in my head. Yo, did you see that in the Discord yesterday, futures? Tighten up. Tighten up.
You do clap push-ups. 1, 2. Oh baby, how are we gonna close? How are we gonna close on this 1-hour candle?
Dude, I love the voice messages on Discord. Oh my.
Bro, where is Uncle Scalp?
Word.
I know.
Gotta say that.
Where's the
Oh.
man? Where is he? Ah.
About to go find him.
Ugh. What if it closes doji candle? Then we just wait for the next candle. Let's wait for the next one. Let's take a look at US 30 here. See what's going on with this 4-hour close. Uncle Scalp, yeah,
Scalp's still partying, yeah.
he's partying. I called him yesterday.
Party too hard last night.
Party too hard last night.
Mhm.
Yeah, US 30 still chopping around here. Yeah, what are we on the day? We're bearish, right? Yeah, so wouldn't really be interested in the buys. Still gonna need a closure below this support here. Yeah, starting to reject the top too. 1-hour candles are all undecided, so you just gotta wait. There's really nothing going on here. The 4-hour time frame though is starting to, looks like it's gonna create a support, so we may start to make our way up here. There was something about this daily. Yeah, the daily had like what, no bottom wick. Yeah, and it closed right at that, right above that resistance there, so you may see your push up now on US 30. So 4 hours is going to close bullish, it looks like, and yeah, you may start to see a move up. May start to see a push.
Gold on 30-minute looks wild.
Yeah, I was looking at that. Yeah, US 30 just looks like we're going to close bullish here on the 4 hours, so buys might be in play. I would still wait for the closures that we're waiting for, and then go from there. Yeah, 30-minute time frame is probably your best friend. Just wait for a close above. Simple, simple, simple. Look at this.
Yeah, look at that. Sounds hard.
Gold's wild, wild west here. Can we check US 100? Yes, we can check US 100, and we can check Euro USD in the next 4 minutes. Ready? So US 100. Wait, is that NAS 100? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
So, alright, so weekly candles. So weekly's pretty bullish. We've broken the highs. We came down and created a steeper bottom wick, it looks like. Looking at the daily time frame though, we did close doji bearish here yesterday. So I would assume that price will continue down here today to at least fill that wick. Taking a look at the 4-hour time frame, we are looking like we're going to close bearish. Now, will we close below support? That's the question. If we can close below that support, then you should be able to see the next candles start to drive down here. So your next 4-hour candle should look something like this. After creating a top wick, you have that support down here to retest. This becomes all clean traffic range here. So once you close below, you have clean traffic to the left. This is a very good range to take advantage of. So looking good based off of the 4-hour. Let's take a look at the 1 hour, see what ranges we got, what supports, what these wicks are, and what they represent. Taking a look at the 1 hour, you do have a support right here, and then you have another support right there. So I'd probably wait for a closure below that support there on the 1 hour time frame, and then look to take this down to 14,507 here. So that's going to be sells, and then buys are pretty clean above 14569 here with clean traffic to the left plus wicks to fill. Should be pretty good. So that's what I'll be looking at, but mainly bearish here. Pretty bearish based off of this daily time frame. So yeah, that's what I would look for. I would mark it up on the 1 hour and just trap price in that range right there and wait for a breakout. Yeah, just stay out of this zone right here. but anything below is pretty clean. It's clean in the green, and then anything above there is pretty clean as well. So yeah, that's what I would do. That's what I would do. Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro JPY. Where is it? Euro USD, right?
Yo.
Oh, there he is.
Hey.
There he is.
You
Yes.
partied too hard.
Mr. Phase 2 almost
Oh,
Alright.
My friggin' waiting for my phase 2 all morning. Like,
Oh damn, you better tell him. What's up? What's up with you, bro?
it literally just hit my phone.
and they disrespecting you.
Seriously.
They seen your win rate. They had to check out.
Word. They're like, let's check this guy. He ain't part of the
Wait.
tiny trading
This guy
live
cheating.
streams, is he?
Wait, think I'm not trying to trade today?
Sorry.
So real quick, so yeah, so daily's bearish, or we've broken the previous daily lows. 4 hour looks like it has a support right here, has a resistance right here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Pretty bearish based off of this. 1 hour closing no bottom wick. Let's take a look. You have a support right here. If you can get a closure below that support, I think you're pretty clean to come on down to fill this range right here. So that would be the range I'd look to partake in here on Euro USD. What's that, like 4 pips? No, 30 pips. So yeah, just wait for a closure below and you should be good. And you did not get the closure below, so let's take a look at Goldilocks here. Alright, so gold closed bearish. Let's take a look at the 4 hour time frame. So 4 hour closed bullish, creating that support that we needed. Right now this candle's coming down to make a bottom wick. Let's take a look. 1 hour closed bearish, 30-minute closed bearish, 15 closed bullish. So yeah, we need to wait. We need to wait for all these time frames to start talking the same language, and then we can look to probably enter positions here. So let's give it some more time. Looking like 9:15 or 9:30 here today. Yeah, once we get a support on the 1 hour, then we can confirm that that's the bottom wick on the 4 hour, and then we could fill this wick here or wait for closures above. That's it. Potential buy on GJ, if we have a bottom wick. Yeah, we closed above, so it looks pretty good. We need a bottom wick here. 4 hour closed pretty nice bullish. So remember, this is a new 4 hour candle. So I'm expecting a little bit of time to go by as we make this bottom wick. I'm not going to jump into buys just in the first minute of a new 4 hour candle. We need to see, you know, a little bit of time go by here. So see, we should be able to break 15-minute lows and stuff, come down, create that bottom wick, and then that'll create the bottom wick for the 1 hour candle as well. And yeah, but I'm not going to jump on it in this first 2 minutes. I do expect to see a bottom wick here. Damn, no Euro USD trade? Yeah, nothing. Do-do-do. So you wait for the smaller time frames to sync, yeah, with the 4 hour before placing a trade. Yeah. I mean, you don't want to take a trade where this is bullish, this is bearish, this is bit bearish, this is bullish, right? You want to get them all kind of speaking the same language. So right now we're just gonna wait, I guess, for the 15 or the 30-minute. We have more volume coming into the market at 9:30 here. So You know, 8 a.m. we had volume coming in. Now the next time where volume starts to dump into gold will be 9:30. So yeah, we'll probably see if we can get a support to form here and take our buys going up, or see how this 30-minute candle closes and, you know, make a decision then. For the NYSE Open. Hey, 555 people watching. That's my favorite number. If you guys haven't liked the stream, go ahead and like the stream and sub to the channel while you're here. And pull up. We do this every day, Monday through Friday, 6:45 a.m. Eastern till about 10:30, 11 a.m. Trading the New York session. New York.
Yo, how's that monitor?
It's good. I'm not using it right now though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I took it down.
What size was that? Was that a 49-inch?
49, yeah.
That thing was massive.
Yo, it's massive, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it sitting right
Is
here.
it that Samsung one?
Yeah.
Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about, bro. That's crazy.
Yo. Massive, dude.
You got that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is crazy. I've seen someone that had 2 of them once. And I was like,
Oh
yeah,
my
that's
God.
wild. It literally looks like he's like surrounded, like he's like Jarvis. And he's got like the screens around him.
Nah, I gotta get a new HDMI cord, but it's definitely gonna take some getting used to for sure.
Oh yeah.
I'll post a picture of it in the Discord.
From when I upgraded my monitor, you'll love it though. Like looking at the charts, because for whatever reason it'll show you more to the left.
Yeah, I noticed that. The only thing is, like, the screen I have now with the Mac, it's a lot bigger in length. So it's a little weird because it kind of shrinks things down a little bit for me, but you know,
Yeah.
it's just getting used to it.
Right.
I think I'm gonna get 2 34-inches and put them on top of each other.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea.
I want to have one, like the top one, be for like all the time frames. I want to have the time frames open like all at once.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
I hate clicking back and forth.
What screen? So I got this. I picked this up yesterday. You can't even see it in the picture, but yeah, I took it down because yeah, I got to get a few more things for the setup. Yeah, it's sitting over here though. It's freaking massive. Massive. Yeah, that's just a rough draft. I got a whole setup coming, but yeah, that's one of the screens that I got. Alrighty here, gold. What setup are you looking for on GJ? So what I want to see here is I'm thinking about setting buy stops, but I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle to close. But what I would like to see ideally would be something like a celery play. But I just don't know if we're gonna get that, right? Something like this. And then I would love to take buys coming up on the next candle, right? Some of you guys know this play really well. This works out a lot. So, yeah. We'll see. We'll see what happens on this 15-minute candle, how it closes. Hello, everyone. Hey, Bob, what's going on, brother? Bob the Third. Can we think about buying GJ? Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Do you trade only New York session? For the most part, but sometimes Asian, sometimes London. Sometimes. There's our steeper bottom wick. Perfect. Let's break this low. There we go. Beautiful. BEA beautiful. Yep, that's good. That's good news. So we'll see how each candle closes at 9:30 here, and we'll wait for the volume to come in. Because if we can get that bearish closure above the range here, we're setting up for a celery play here, and that'll be pretty nice. Entry would be on the break of these highs. Probably close partials around 17, 18 pips, and then look to continue up. Yep, there's the bottom wick. Salary play, yeah, exactly. The salary play. Yeah, anything above here is pretty good. It kind of already created that range too I was looking for, so we've now closed above that second resistance, so that's pretty clean. So we just need to wait. Just gotta wait now. But it'd be really nice if we can get a closure above here, because I think gold is gonna rally here today. But it can't do that if it's stuck in this range. So we need to break out. We need to break out. So they never sent you your credentials yet, Uncle Scout?
They literally just hit like 5 minutes ago.
Oh, they did? Oh, good.
Yeah, so I set it up.
Just in time. It's time, baby. All right, now we wait. Now we wait. We got volume coming in just a couple minutes. And that's what we're going to look to take advantage of here. So these two 30-minute closures are going to be really big. Really, really big for us. So we may get a GJ salary play, and we may get a breakout here on gold. So lock it in here. We got a couple minutes. What is an accelerate play? A celery play. Yeah, I remember when I heard that first, I'm like, what is this? I'm like, what are they talking about, dude? A salary play? A salary play is something that looks like this. So let's say you get a bullish closure. Candle closes above the range. The next candle closes bearish, but above the range still. Right, something like this. And then we look to take our buys on the break of the highs here. So the next candle, typically, especially like around 9:30 or a New York open, will break the highs and then continue up. It'll be a big monster candle. So we take these trades all the time. This is our best setup here, our best entry. This one has a 92% win rate. So we love to wait for these when we can, and that's why we're waiting for that on pound yen. And sometimes, you know, in the waiting, the price runs without you, and that's totally fine, right? At least you're not settling down and you are waiting for what you know works best. So in terms of like if this is what it looks like now, we know that right now there's not a lot of volume, but there is a lot of volume coming in 15 minutes, and in 15 minutes this 30-minute candle closes. So if this 30-minute candle closes and it closes above this level, although it's bearish, it's still closing above the level. Therefore, if the next candle breaks the high, it should come up to retest that resistance. So we love to wait for that play. So are we glad we didn't jump right on the buys, gang? Are we glad we didn't rush into these buys, right? And kept our stops below, because now we would have been out of a trade with a loss? Are we glad that we're just sitting tight, sitting on our hands, waiting for what we know works? And if that happens, then we enter. If not, we don't. Some of y'all took 5 trades today. Win rate on the 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute time frame. 15-minute works really well too, but I find the 30-minute works best.
So what's up? Oh yeah. Oh, you did? Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. No trades today. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, there's literally only 4 setups that I will ever take. First one being a breakout. Very simple. Candle closes above. Next candle makes a bottom wick, pushes up. This would be my confirmation candle right here. Confirmation with the closure above the range. And this would be my trading candle. Now that's one setup. The other setup would be a celery play, which would look just like I just explained, right? You have a candle close above. Next candle closes above, but it closes bearish, right? That candle closes bearish. Entry would be on the next candle. Typically we'll wait for times of volume for this to happen as well. So that'll be what that looks like. And then the other one would be an onion. So that would pretty much be candles in a way. Let's see where I could draw it. I guess right here, right? Pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Let's say we're bullish on the day and we make our move up, and then we come create a resistance, right? And then we create a support. The onion play is just a position taken off of a support. So this will be our confirmation candle, that support being created, and then that would be our trading candle. So very simple. You're on a bullish trend, you get a small little pullback, support being formed, position would be on this candle. And you know what's cool? So this is what it would look like. This is all these plays, right? This is what an hourly time frame would look like. This is what a 30-minute time frame would look like, and this is what a 15 time frame would look like. If you're looking at an hourly breakout, sometimes on the 30-minute it looks like that, and on the 15 it looks like that. But let's say these are all 30-minute time frames. Then yeah. And then what's cool about the onion play is that you can get it like a fake out. So like a fake out back into the range is basically an onion play also. So there's really only 3 setups I look to take, and these are all 3 of them. Entry is always going to be different, so depending, right? So on the celery play, this is usually always going to be the entry, but on like a breakout or something, you may have different entries, right? You may have an entry on the flip of the candle. You may have a nice little wick here, and as price comes up, we enter off the break of that wick, or you enter off the break of the previous candle. So there's only 3 entries. You got the flip, you got the break of the current candle's high, or the break of the previous candle high. So And as you continue to show up to the stream every day, you'll start to see us take these positions and understand exactly, you know, what the setup is, what the entries are, and how to go about them. Yeah, trading gets simple when you narrow down a playbook and you don't deviate and you don't get sidetracked by the outside noise. Closures pay the bills? Yeah, exactly. They do. That they do. Yeah, so we got about 10 minutes left. So we want to see this candle close bear. So if this candle closes bearish, then what do we have? Based off of what I just showed you. $30-minute salary play, right? 15-minute support. 1 hour breakout. See? See how it all lines up? 15-minute pushes up, comes down, creates a support. 30-minute closes above, giving us a salary play. 1 hour becomes a simple breakout. Break of these highs, we're in there. Trading gets very simple, man, when you narrow things down. You ever wait for a lower time frame entry? What do you mean? Like a 5 minute? Very rarely ever take positions and very rarely even go down to the 5 minute to look at it, right? It's the first time. How long have we been streaming so far here today? I don't know, but it's the first time I went on the 5 minute time frame. I don't think I went on the 5 minute at all yesterday. So the five minute I don't really look at much at all. But 15, 30, and 1 hour, 4 hour are pretty much the time frames I'm looking at. Accelerate play. Exactly. Yeah, celery, yep. Or a fake out into the onion to the downside. On what? GJ? Yes, or a fake out. Yep, because depending, so yes, I'm actually glad you brought that up, Matt F. Because just as easily, and this is the little nuance that I need you guys to understand to help you guys here. So it's a little nuance, right? This bearish candle, it needs to close above, right, for it to be a celery. Because if this happens, then boom, we should be continuing up if we break this high. But if this candle closes bearish below the range, whole new ball game here. This now becomes a fake out going back into the range for price to continue down. So you really have to make sure you have your ranges marked up well and paying attention to how that candle closes, because it could be 2-3 pip difference that turns this into a buy that turns a buy into a sell, right? And either way, you want to see the highs or the lows break before entering your position based off of going long or based off of going short. But this candle closing has a huge impact on where price is going to go next. So yes, very good point. And it would make sense for GJ to give us a fake out, because what have we been waiting for all morning? A solid resistance to be formed, right? And yeah, I would love to see it here continue down. So we'll see. Good point though. So where this candle closes is huge. Huge. Small little things just like that can change everything in your trading. So that candle closing above would be perfecto. Accelerate play. Why is it called a celery play? That's just what my mentor called it. So yeah, sticking with it. Well, we actually may change it to the salary play. We changed it to the salary play. Sorry, Danya. Have been be seeing this, but the way you explained it is genius, bro. Oh yeah, glad that makes some sense. Salary play, not salary play. Invented by Don Vo, organic trading, yeah. It wasn't I mean, the name was, the setup wasn't invented by him, but the name was certainly. He likes to name his plays off of organic vegetables to represent the organic trading style. So yeah, these are all things I've learned on Don's stream over the past 2 years, and yeah. Can't GJ be performing resistance to come down? Yup. Yup. Organic veggies.
Johnny, when's your last day?
John's last day is, I think,
The 14th,
Tuesday, right?
See,
the last
see
day
it.
of class.
I see he's in the Connor trading camp right now.
I am, bro.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
No.
It's finals time.
No, it's the indoctrination camp.
Yeah, fact. Very true.
Yo, facts. I'm literally just stuck in here.
Dude, what-
Dude's breathing in recycled oxygen and getting tan off fluorescent lights there.
Dude, what Scout just called it.
Some from Don stream said they were coming to. Oh, hi, bro. New here. You have any videos on your ones? Yeah, we got a lot of videos. Just to check. We have a lot of live streams. I'm putting together a whole like simple crash course for YouTube, but it's not going to be ready just yet. But if you go to the live streams and you tune in every day, you'll start to learn a lot about how we trade and how we look and view the markets. And yeah, hopefully it can help you, or if you're already profitable, cheers to that. But hopefully something else on the stream could help you out. But it's good to have you here, all of me. It's good to have all of you here, all of me. Don, your trading style is the same as Raja Banks? Yeah, so my trading style consists of Raja Banks and Don Vo, and a little bit of me, and you put it all together, and this is what you see. Mix it with hard liquor. I moved there from downstream. I prefer 30-minute and 1 hour over the 5-minute. Oh yeah, good to have you here, Disturbed. Yeah, me too. Yeah, if you guys remember how Don was trading over the past couple years, that's kind of just the style I stick to. 30-minute, 1 hour. Wait for those plays to show up. And yeah, I've used the 5-minute in the past, long time ago, and it just didn't really work for me. But it does work, right? But you just have to learn how to use it, have to learn how to work it. I find myself I have way better results based off of the 30-minute, 1 hour, and sometimes the 15-minute. So, all right, we got 4 minutes. What you doing, Gold? What you doing? What are you doing? Would you look at that? Yeah.
You look at this. Yeah.
Would you look at this?
You look at that.
I like salary play better, yeah, because it pays the bills. Yep. I have a doubt in the GJ fake out scenario. You explained if example GJ gives you a fake out, what about 173 small support? It can come down a little and reject. Yeah, but we do have volume coming in. So we have volume coming in. I see what you mean. But we have to wait. We have to see how this candle closes and where it closes, and then we'll see if we can get into some sort of positions. But if we have volume coming in, then shouldn't have any problems continuing down to this support and then possibly down to target for today. Can you buy from here? Yeah, sure. Do it. Do it, do it. Do it, don't do it, don't do it, do it. Yeah, no, it's starting to look good. We just need a closure, man. We need a close above in 2 minutes. Can we do it, gold? How about the salary play above 173? 266? Let's take a look. 173. Oh, this one right here. Yeah, I was looking at, so if you guys look at the 1 hour, also there's a strong support here, plus the 30-minute as well. So, but I don't mind this one either, because last time, this is where I had it marked up originally. We had a closure above, we were able to push up. Closure above, pushed up, closure above, pushed up, closure above here, salary play pushed up, closure above, pushed up. So yeah, not too bad. Close above, pushed up. So yeah, not too bad. That's what I was looking at originally, and then if we take it based off the 1 hour, we're gonna have to move it, but based off the 30-minute, it looks pretty clean. Doom, 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 doom. Yeah. Good eye, good eye. Did you take an impulse entry or wait for the candles to close? We're just waiting for the candle to close here. What will we do? We got 24 seconds and gold is rejecting. Yeah, if we close like this, there will be no positions yet. Well, yeah, actually, what are, no, we're bullish. Yeah, nothing yet. Is salary candle? Yo, we're really calling this the salary play now, huh? So the salary candle and bottom wick. Oh, how'd this candle close here on pound yen? Close bearish. So yeah, if we get a top wick here, I'm gonna look to enter positions on the break of the lows here. Break of these 1 hour lows. We got about a 10 pip vantage point and then about a 45 pip drop. So we'll see. 15-minute salary play as well. Looks good, gang. So let's see if we can get a bit of a top wick here. And then we'll get entries on the break of the lows. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of these 30-minute lows, previous candle lows, and stops are gonna be wherever this current candle high is. Yeah, it looks pretty clean. Copy. Let me just send the signal out and we'll be good. So basically, sell stops are here. Break of the lows here. 173. Let's see what that is. Yeah, 173 to 200-ish right here. Right on the break of the 1 hour lows. 173, 200. If we end up breaking the 15 highs, I might delete it, but yeah. So 173. Yeah, I'm gonna look to target 172, 760 here. and probably go break even right around that support level. Yeah, stops are pretty decent too here. Might be able to throw a 20 lot on this, yeah.
I like this.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 20 lots here.
Me gusta.
All right, perfect. So yeah, we're all set.
Check the socks, get the buffer.
Socks are good. Buffer's coming out. Because chat, I got news for you. I got some news for you, chat. It's time to go. Oh, whoa, what's going on here? Unable to open trade. What you mean?
It's probably your lot, so it probably might be too big.
Nah, no way.
That usually gives me a problem on my terminal.
20 lots.
No, 20 should be fine.
Yeah, 20 should be. I used 20 last time on GJ. Gold, yeah, broke the highs. Anyone get in? See, this is why I would not get in on the break of these highs here. All right. So now we will wait to see if we can get activated here. So sell stops. Yeah, so the plan here is stops are going to be, I just want to see what stops are above this previous candle. Yeah, these aren't bad. I'm going to leave my stops above previous candle, which is going to be 18 pips. So yeah, 18 pips is where I'm going to have my stops. And that leaves us with an opportunity to manage this trade if we need to. Because the way we would manage a trade in a losing position is if we do get activated and we close bullish back above the range, if our stops are up here, we can cut our trade right wherever this candle closes. So that'll be the way we'll manage in a losing situation. Now, if we start to push down, the way we'll manage this in a winning situation is there is a support about 10 pips away. So at this support is probably where I will look to move my stops to break even. I don't think I'm going to close any partials, but I am going to go break even and see if we can come down to that support down there. So we'll see what happens. And then gold, nothing yet on gold. Buy or sell, buy or sell, buy or sell. Magic key sound active? No, I took the magic key sound off. So yeah, my magic key's already set up. So y'all gotta be paying attention now. It's a buy. Yeah, if we break the highs here, then I will most likely delete the sell stops. If it breaks 15-minute highs, you're deleting? Nice. Yeah, I'm not going to delete with the 15 highs, but 30 highs I am. He took our alarm away, yeah. You guys gotta be paying attention now. Gotta be paying attention. Look at this, gold breaking the highs, breaking the lows. Not a range you want to be a part of. I know for a fact some people got in these buys. You just couldn't trust the YouTube dude. You went like 4 pips in profit and most likely just got stopped out.
Thanks, YouTube guy.
Thanks, YouTube guy. All right, it looks like we broke the 30-minute highs here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close the, get rid of these sell stops and see how we're starting to move bullish now. So we may or may not have that fake out. Price could push up and this could be that bullish seller replay that we're talking about. Let's see what the 4 hour and 1 hour. Yeah, I'm gonna delete these. 4 hour and 1 hour are looking pretty clean at this point. Let's see what happens on the 15-minute time frame as we close here in just a few minutes. If we can close above this resistance here, then we may have an opportunity to, you know, we may be going the opposite direction now. So we'll see. 4 hour did close very strong bullish. So, but being that we were bearish on the day, that's why I would have looked to take those sells. But again, we are in this rejection area as well. So we could easily reject this and the move could start to go north here. So we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, the only reason I don't like these buys just yet here and I want to wait for the seller is because we're very bearish based off the daily candle. If we were bullish, man, we would be ready to have buys right here, but we didn't get the 30-minute seller we were looking for. Maybe, just maybe, we get the 1 hour seller play. And gold don't know what's going on here. Gold's lost. Deleted my sell stops. Yeah, I deleted mine also. 30-minute highs broken. Yup. RIP to gold buys. Yeah. I noticed that mostly if price breaks 1 hour high, you delete the sell stops. But why not? Or why you deleted your sell stops? Break of the 15, because the 15 is a little bit, so 15 is a little bit lower confirmation. A lot of times I will see, like, notice how we broke this high here on the 15 and then just continued down, so it didn't really play out, like it didn't have any relevance. So the 15 minutes going to be like a more of a weaker confirmation. That's why I go based off 30-minute, although this one did break the 30-minute high as well. Typically you're not going to see that, so yeah. Let's see here. Yeah, now that we've broken these 4 hour lows, this gets interesting here. For daily may, yeah, this may start to create a resistance at this point on gold. Remember what we talked about yesterday in the top down analysis, how we should be able to create a resistance on the daily to continue down for this weekly seller play and this monthly push. So it wouldn't surprise me if this candle closed bearish today. Wouldn't surprise me one bit. So we just gotta wait, right? Closures below here is still pretty clean. Gold may be a bleeder. Maybe. Why only gold and GJ? They're just the pairs that I've been trading the longest. You know, I have the most experience on them. GJ I've been trading since day one. Gold I've been trading for about 2.5 years, every single day during the NY session. So just found a liking to them and decided to stick with them. gold's going down, GJ's pumping up. So yeah, this 1 hour salary play would be ideal. That'd be perfect. 1 hour salary play. We'll see if she wants to wait. So this is what I was talking about earlier, gang. Sometimes you may miss a move waiting for what you really want to see. And you got to be okay with that. Right? If we're waiting for the salary play and then this thing just drives, hey, it is what it is. Right? It's whatever, right? We don't want to settle down. Like if we know something works and it works really well and we decide to wait for a better type of confirmation, then you just can't be mad if price drives on you. You know, it was your decision to wait, knowing that you may miss the move. But you want to wait for your move, right? That's the move you're really looking for, is your move. So I'm totally cool with waiting for my move and missing the bigger move. You know, I know I can get another trade either later, or I know I can come back tomorrow and do the same thing again. So 15-minute salary play here. Yeah, if this thing closed above, I'd probably be looking to take these buys right now, but if these are your buys, these are your buys. They're just not gonna be my buys right now. Anthony's in the building. Hey, yo, Anthony. Anthony.
Anthony.
Wham. NYS, he'd be like, I'll do a manipulation as always. Yo. Did you ever use the stochastic RSI MACD to help confirm good entry points? Yes. Yes, Warren, I have. Yes, I have. Good old MACD, good old RSI, stochastics, all that, man. Did it all. Cleaner traffic on gold for sell setup compared to GJ 1 hour. Yeah, pretty clean here on gold. Looks like the bullish candles just started losing steam, rejections, and never was really able to continue up after breaking the high. Broke the high, the highs were right here, broke the highs and just came back down, flip bearish. Ooh, okay. Yeah, GJ may push up after breaking this high here, so. Did those indicators help you on trades? Not really, no. Not really. If anything, they confused me. But that's just because, that's just me, right? Some people use them and do really well with them. But for me, it was just a little bit confusing. I don't like a lot of stuff. As you guys can tell, I don't really like having my charts too marked up. I just like to keep it pretty simple. Pretty simple. There we go, gold. There we go, gold. 4 hour lows broke, so yeah, it's good. Beautiful. Yeah, you got to get the EYES indicator. Search it up here in the indicator templates. And that's the one that I use. That's been the best for me and my success, and I just stick with it.
That one's pretty good.
Yeah, the EYES one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, check that one out.
Play the Trump.
We don't troll. We do some trolling. The EYES. You don't see it? Oh, would you look at that?
Would you look at that? He can't.
Gonna take buys on GJ? No. No. Remember what I just said?
Facts. Futures yesterday, most effective too. Yeah, non-lagging indicator. Yeah, that's a good one.
What leverage do I use? I think it's 1 to 100. I think it's 1 to 100 or 1 to 200. I tried finding the eyes one.
That guy TK, I see red eyes, 24-hour volume by 100 eyes. And then the supply zones.
That's
I don't
funny.
know, that should be in there.
Yeah, it should be in there. Maybe you need to update your trading view version. I don't know. You may have to buy the most expensive version they got.
Yeah, you're spelling it.
It's
right.
a special
Right,
indicator.
exactly how you're spelling it.
Like eyes on your face? Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Just like those eyes. Hey you with the
Exactly.
face. Oh my god, you got me last time with that one? Oh damn.
Do a little bit of trolling.
Yeah. You know how we do. We do a little trolling around here.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
We like to troll.
I found I was right in front of me. Yeah, there you go. That's funny. Do 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 do. Yeah, it's a free indicator. Yep. Yeah. Free indicator. All right, chat. We're ducking down here. Now we just need a closure below. 4 hour broke the lows. Daily, I could totally see closing bearish here today. 4 hour has broken the lows. 1 hour has broken all the lows and will potentially close below. 30 minute will close below. So somebody asked before, like, how we want to see things matching up. You see how now the 15 minute is bearish, the 30 minute is bearish, the 1 hour is bearish, the 4 hour is bearish, and now the daily is potentially going to push bearish. Now we are setting ourselves up for a plus setup. So now all we need to do is we need to wait 9 minutes, and we need to see this current candle close below here, and we could take advantage of this clean traffic to the left hand side. But we still got a long 9 minutes, long 8 minutes. We'll be using current candle stops, current 1 hour candle stops based off the top wick, because yeah, we can't use these stops at all. Whew. Did we call that a breakout? Yeah. Yep, that'll be a gold breakout. 1 hour time frame. Stops will be kept. So what we're looking to see here is a closure below. So candle close. Oh, whoa, wrong candle. We don't want to see that. Candle close below, leaving us a bottom wick. Right? If it closes with no bottom wick, no entry. But we need a bottom wick, and then we need a top wick on the next candle. And once we get that top wick and we start flipping bearish, we can enter our positions, come on down, have a great day, make some money, and go about our lovely Tuesday here that's in front of us. and have a lovely day. You go tell your wife, honey, your husband, honey, I made some money today in the markets. TP areas are going to be, so looking left, we're going to notice that we have pretty clean traffic up until this resistance right here. So that's going to be the TP. And then our partials are probably going to be somewhere in this range, about 25 pips, 28 pips away. So this is probably going to be 1953, 810 is probably where I will go break even. So perfect. Now we just need a little pullback. So right now we're making a wick. If we pull back, we have that wick established, and yeah, that'll be perfect. Nice little wick fill here. Hey, if you're expecting a big trade here, go ahead and like the stream here today. Like it up, like it up. If you want a big one and you're expecting a big one, a nice winner here today, show it by liking the stream. But if you want to get stopped out today, then don't like the stream. But if you want to hit TP, like the stream. I'll manipulate you guys like Gold did us at 9:30. Yeah, GJ moving on up here. So Gold moving down, GJ moving up very nicely. And again, guys, remember, we made a decision here. We said we're gonna wait for a 1 hour celery, and if it drives without us, it drives without us. So there's none to be concerned about. GJ buys aren't the greatest anyway. Yeah, they're not really the best. Oh, damn, all right. 428, there we go. 28 people are feeling a big trade here today. Well, 428. Forex will never end. Well, trade will never end, right? Trade, we're always going to be trading something. So we got 4 minutes left. Let me grab some water and I'll be right back.
Yeah, trade will be here forever. You know, before there was ever money, people used to just trade like, I mean, everyone knows this, bro. Like, people would trade like a wool coat or whatever for, I don't know, we'll say like an iron pot or something that was made by the blacksmith back in the day. And then people started to use gold to store their value, so they would exchange their goods for gold. And then the first ever bank was created because, well, people were getting robbed for their gold, so where could they put their gold to store it? And then from there, you can see where the greed in the world starts, because if these people are holding everyone's money, obviously they can use it to benefit. If there's a money market, there will always be buyers and sellers, and the markets will create more buyers and sellers. I don't know, Uncle Scout, what do you think?
Later.
Forex is gonna end 26.
I think it's gonna end. I think everyone should just get off the stream and just go.
Yeah, give up all your dreams of ever trading.
Forex is gonna end 2026. Just
It's gonna
get
end.
off the stream. Go watch. Go watch Logan Paul on YouTube.
Yeah. If you actually believe that, and like, you know, why would you sit here, in my opinion?
Who's
You're
Logan
just
Paul?
causing yourself fear, uncertainty, and doubt.
Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Go read a book. All right, boys. We're pulling back. We got 2 minutes. Time to lock it in. This is pure trolling.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not. You're not that guy, man. You're not that guy. Don't be that guy who thinks Forex ending in 2026. You're not that guy. Hey, yo. Pulling back for a nice wick fill. Would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few more blemishes on the card.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
Just look at it.
Oh my gosh, just look at it. Gold looks nice, come on. Close below.
Can we get a closure below your gold?
Come on.
If we do. Yeah, it's time.
For the main event of the morning.
So yeah, now what we need to look for is a stop loss, right? So we're gonna need a top wick on this next candle. Anywhere in this 1957, 1958 range is gonna be pretty good for me. And then yeah, we'll have current candle stops. But we gotta close below. Oh no, not yet. Ooh. Alright, we need a steep top wick here, chat. Steep. This is good. We open up, we create a low, we come up to create a top wick, re-break the low, then we'll fill the wick. But we need to create a top wick. Doom, doom, doom. All right, can we get the top wick? All right, let's see what we got here. Alrighty, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good for me. So gonna have some sell stops on the break of the lows here. Break of the current candle lows right here. Oh. Sell stops. You guys like it better over here, over here, over here, over here, 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 here. We'll leave it right there for now. So yeah, looking pretty clean. Got about 17, 18 pip stops. Entry on the break of the lows. Looks good. We'll look to target this wick fill, which is about 22 pips, and then potentially continue down. If we look at this wick, I believe this is right into our break-even territory here as well. So I'm gonna go break even, you know, probably right around here, a little bit before the wick fill, and probably close up some partials as well. So break even is free. All right, perfect. So that's what it is. So if we if we do get activated here, this is what the trade's gonna look like. So entries on the break of the lows. Stops are gonna be kept about 18 pips. Current candle highs, and TP is gonna be right here. So that's gonna be the trade. So if we get activated, we'll put that back up. And we'll see if we can have a a good trade here. It's gonna be the best trade of your life. 620 people watching. Appreciate you guys. Hope you guys are learning a lot today. Hope you guys are doing good in your trading. And if you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and let's get you locked in every day. Let's get you right. And 444 likes, man. That's the exact number I wanted. 444. Don't get quiet on me, chat.
Quiet.
Don't get quiet. I believe in you, Nick. Thank you. Oh, we here. Everyone's setting up their sell stops. Yeah, that's why you guys are quiet, right? Oh, hold on. Gold. Copy. If we break the high, you may have to adjust your stop loss. But this is good top wick here. All right, perfect. %10 risk, yeah. Please tell us exact sell stop. Break of the lows here. 1956, 632 on TradingView. I put entry 1956, 5.9 stop loss. Yeah, if you guys want to see what the signals chat got, this is what they got. Sell stops 156, 632, TP 1900, 159, stop loss. And now we wait. I'm going full risk. Should we wait for a 5-minute candle to close bearish? You could if you like. I'm just gonna wait for this low to break and then I'm gonna be in. But this is another area in which I was, yeah, there we go. This is where I wanted to see a top wick to really. So we'll see what happens here. GJ pumping up. Remember chat, can't have any FOMO on pound yen. When we decided to do what we did, right, which was to wait for the 1 hour celery, can't have any FOMO over this. It's not even 20 pips, so. Come on, gold. Full margin. Yeah, there you go, Peanut. Full margin. Oh man, stops are getting a bit high here now. Let's take a look. 36 pips. Went from beautiful, what was that? 17 pip stops to now 36 pips. And GJ just pumping up. Gold going up and GJ. Someone's lying here. Someone's lying.
Sweat on it.
Sweat on it. I chickened out of the GJ buys. Yeah, the GJ buys on the 15 weren't that clean because remember we talked about having a, on the 15 minute. Yeah, I see that. Yeah, in the back. But 30 minute, man, if this 30 would have closed above that resistance, then I would have been very interested in these buys, but never did that. US 30 going up as well. Let's take a look. Oh, fake out. Oh, wow. Broke the 4-hour lows here. Yeah, what did we talk about? US 30 possibly moving back up here. No bottom wick, closing at that resistance. The sells couldn't hold. They couldn't hold. Yeah, I think our sell stops at a daily low too. So if we re-break that low, should continue down. Or this is the daily low. Boom, 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 boom. So let's see what's happening here. So let's take a look at the 15 minute. Broke the highs. 5 minute, yeah, we need a, so 5 close with no top wick. We need a resistance now formed on this 5 minute and for price to start coming back. So this 5 minute push up is pretty much your 1 hour top wick. And let's see if it can come back down. Tap us in. I listened to the Funded Trader, the owner of that company. I listened to him with Words of Wisdom. You guys heard that podcast, Words of Wisdom? I heard that yesterday. It was a pretty good interview. Pretty good. Yes, on Twitter. Oh, nice. Is this a 1 hour celery? No, not yet. If this 1 hour candle closed bullish, then yeah, but not yet. Did you hear that one, Uncle Scalp? The Funded
what happened?
Words of Wisdom.
Yeah.
With Angelo from the Funded Trader.
Oh, they had an interview together?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, I gotta watch that. Angelo's pretty legit, yeah.
Yeah, he's pretty good in giving some insight on these prop firms and
he either was a big trader at FTMO or was like involved with FTMO, like on the business end. I'm not sure which one it was, but
Yeah, he was involved with them, but I don't think he was ever like a big trader.
So then I guess he's on the business side, yeah.
Like he was a trader for them, but I guess he got caught up in something where he was working with another prop firm, and they basically like scammed him and everyone that he brought on board.
Really?
So that's where he came up with the idea, like, you know what, maybe we could do this, you know, like maybe we could put together a prop firm, and that's where he got the idea from. And yeah, it was pretty good. Pretty good interview. Yeah, and then you said that surge trader had like 1 to 20 leverage, right? That was the one thing I noticed about that, is I didn't really like that.
Yeah, I was looking at them yesterday, and I noticed that it said 1 to 20, so that could probably be a problem.
Yeah, I like at least 1 to 100.
Yeah. What does MFF give you when you pass it?
1 to 100.
Yeah, same thing with Fund Trader.
Yeah. Yeah, man. All right, gold. 15-minute candle is going to close up here. 5 minutes going to close as well. Let's see what happens. My Forex funds. Michael Cook in the building. Yeah, my Forex funds. What lot size? What lot type with this stop loss? I still got 10 lots. Still got 10 lots. Can you reduce the music, bro? There you go. Power's about to go out in my city. Would you recommend the Funded Trader? I haven't used them, but they seem pretty legit. The guy seems pretty cool too. Yeah, so we got the resistance that we're looking for on the 5. It would be really nice to see the resistance on the 15 now, and then we should get activated. FTMO, they're good too. I've used them. Yeah, we may get a 30 celery here as well. So since we're gonna wait for the 15, I'm gonna delete the sell stops for right now, and then add them back once the 15-minute candle closes, if we do create a resistance. If not, then gold may just, we're back in the range here, so yeah.
Hey, I actually gotta head out of here.
All right, brother.
I gotta go do something. So,
have an
I'll
awesome
be
day.
free today, and I'll be back here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Peace out,
See you
Chad.
tomorrow, Sam.
Later, bro.
Yeah,
Peace.
Peace out, Scalp. Peace out, Nick.
Peace. Peace, peace, peace.
I'm gone.
He's gone.
He's gone.
Yeah,
Yeah, FTMO is great. They've been around forever. You know.
Yeah, they're good. They're good. Yeah, they're pretty solid. They're like the OGs, like the original crew. Proper war on Twitter nowadays, yeah. Everyone on the trigger waiting for that one clean shot. Um, 100K, KK, 100K account, and I was doing the evaluation. FTMO, they have a 4-day challenge that I'm interested in. Do they? Or is it maximum trading days 4? I think that's what I heard. Let's get rid of all this for now. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, may just be ranging here on gold all day. Yep. GJ, I guess, should have jumped on it. There goes that resistance right here that we were talking about. Right, that's really what we were aiming for on pound yen. So that target's been tapped. Let's take a look at US 30. Whatever happened with that? Nothing really. Fake out back into the range, similar to gold, and nothing. Yeah, 2 fake outs here on pound yen. One was right here. I mean, on US 30, and then now we have another one here. So 2 fake outs. Yep. Look at that. 5-minute broke the lows for all you guys that try to get a sneaky quick entry. Broke the lows and pulled back up. Yeah, I deleted my sell stops, guys. Deleted. We'll see how this 30-minute candle closes. Any way to avoid fake outs? Yeah, that's our range 2, range 1, range 2. Will really help you avoid fake outs. Look at this 4-hour, man. That's crazy. Oh, 3 fake outs. Oh yeah, let's check them out. What time frame? Oh, US 30. Oh, maybe this one too. Fake outs everywhere. Yeah, US 30's playing with the trickery today. Tricky, tricky. Maybe a no trade day for us? Maybe. Maybe, maybe. Gold seems to be up and down, seems sketchy. Should we still do a trade or avoid? Well, if we get the closures we need, then we can take a trade, but until then, we just keep holding off, right? That's why you see us just holding off, waiting, waiting. So we need to see price moving. We were all bearish just a couple minutes ago. And now we're all bullish, back to bullish. So doesn't know how to make up its mind here. There's always tomorrow. Yep. Yeah, if we don't get the closure here, I am going to call it a day on this lovely Tuesday. Go have some fun. Come back tomorrow. but we'll see. We'll give it another 8 minutes here, or 6 minutes. Trading is waiting, yes sir. Uncle Scalp, what glasses you got?
These are the gunner glasses. I think the same ones you have.
Oh yeah, nice, nice. Yeah, they're good.
Yeah, I can't live without these, bro.
Can't trade without these, man. Sometimes my daughter be grabbing them. Start bending them down. I'm like, oh, hold on there, hold on. Give me the glasses, give me the glasses. Don't break those. Do you have any classes on your trading strategy? Yeah, I have a 8-week one-on-one mentorship program if you'd like to be a part of that. Send me a message on Discord if you'd like to, and we could chat about that. Tuesday is one. Oh, that reminds me, Taco Tuesday tonight. Yeah, I'm having tacos tonight. Tonight's the night. Are they blue light glasses? Yeah, they are. Yep. They are Gunner blue light glasses. They're pretty good. I think these were like, what, 70 bucks maybe, right? They weren't too bad. They were like 70, maybe 80. I think they were like 70. They're good though, especially if you're going to be looking at a stream all day or for a couple hours a day. Nah, I don't have any course in my Discord at all. That may be a different course. But I do have, if you guys are looking for anything that I have to offer, just come down here to the links right here. And this is everything we got. That's it. These are the only links. I don't do it in crypto. I don't accept crypto right now, so I'll never ask you to buy any of this stuff with crypto. Everything is linked up. If it's not one of these links, it's not me. So yeah, there's one more one more spot in that 8-week mentorship program, and then it's closed up till July. So yes, one-on-one coaching as well. And then if you guys want any of the signals room been eating good. Yeah, every signal comes out like this, you know, pair, position, entry, TP, stop loss. You know, once it's time to move stops to break even, you'll see everything come in, and yeah, they all look pretty much the same, right? Same thing. Same thing. Oh, it's 100 pips. It's a good one. Yeah, you notice all of our trades look pretty much very similar as well. Very, very similar. Same setups. Yeah, sometimes I get a picture, sometimes I can't get the picture because it happens too quick, but yeah, same thing. This is how every trade's called out. Oh, that one we tapped full TP and then popped up. Yeah, that was a nice one. But yeah, every trade pretty much looks the same for the most part. Closures below, wick fills, all that good stuff. But yeah, just come to the or you can message me here on Discord also. But yeah, come here and then you can grab whatever you like. And if you do purchase a one-on-one, or you do anything you guys do purchase, message me on Discord. So that way I can set you up, get you linked in on all the channels, and make sure you're right. Oh, 34 more likes. Yeah, till 500. I don't think, yeah, we got 500 likes, I think, yesterday. Yeah, these likes, they really help us out. They really help get the stream out to other people who are searching up like Forex streams or day trading or anything like that. The likes really do a good job at helping us expand our reach on YouTube. So if you guys could like the stream, I know 400 or 500 likes per stream, I know that's got to be doing us something good. Come to Pakistan, we will have some beef barachi. Oh, okay, I'm down for that. Put it in a little taco or something for Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Oil breaking, yeah, I forgot. Somebody wanted us to look at oil. Let's take a look at oil real quick and see what's going on. So real quick top-down analysis from the higher time frames. Oh, wow. Do I have a different oil chart here? I don't think I do. Yeah, Brent oil. Oh, nah, I think this one's cleaner. Yeah, so daily time frame is pretty bearish. We did close bearish, but you know, no bottom wick there, so not the best closure. We look at the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour has closed weak but bearish. We've also broken the highs, so looks like we're trying to create a resistance support right here. Taking a look at the 1-hour time frame. 1 hour is, damn, you didn't get the closure above. That's the one thing, but it's running. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, you got room to run now. So, but that was a pretty decent move right there. 15-minute celery play. Nice. All right, what did gold do? 30-minute close bullish, yeah. Oh, special rice with that. Oh, okay. No tacos then. Hey, you cook it how you want to cook it, and I'll just eat it. I'll just grub it out. Oh. Chia. Yeah, gang, I think I'm gonna call it a day here. Yeah, nothing for me. I don't really want to trade back in this range. Pound yen pretty much tap target on this candle. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just call it a day. Come back tomorrow. If you notice, there wasn't really much happening here today, right? We got to the charts right here, 6:30, 6:45, and we just really did nothing. We attempted to break through, but we couldn't do it. Then you had this NYSE push down, and boom, just dead stop right here as support, and now it's continuing up. So yeah, nothing much here for us. I was expecting a little bit more of a volume day, but that's okay. I think if this daily candle closes bearish here today, getting rid of all these drawings, you should see a really nice push tomorrow. So tomorrow we should be able to come down, and we'll look to take advantage of some positions here tomorrow on Wednesday, the 7th of June. So gang, that's it. Another one.
Don't force any trades.
Yeah, don't force any trades here. If I do take anything, I'll call it in the signals channel, but not looking the greatest here. So pretty rangy, man. But yeah, 19 more to go, or 14 more likes. So if you guys can, on the way out, like the stream so we can get to 500 likes here. That'll be 2 days in a row, 500 likes. That would mean the world to me. So on your way out, if you could like the stream, that'd be great. Bump out to a little bit of altar. Praise God. And hey, if you guys aren't doing anything Monday night, we're going to be doing a Bible study. We're going to be talking a lot about money. Money. We're going to be talking about on Monday and what the Bible says, what God's word says, what some stuff in Proverbs says about money and how to handle it, the good of it, the bad of it, and all the in between. So yeah, so I'll look forward to seeing you guys then, but I will see y'all tomorrow. Oh, we got 495, 495, 495, 495, 498, 498.
See you later, bro.
All right, Uncle Scalp. Later, bro. 498. Two more, and then we could play the outro. Two more. One more. All right, 502. Gang, love you guys. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Subscribe to the channel on the way out if you're not subscribed. Like it up, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Over and out, gang. Peace. Peace.